I can't see the chat just yet. I am live. Cool. That's extremely broken. Don't tell me it's one of those days. Don't tell me it's one of those days. When it's just gonna be... No, okay, I know why. Should work. Don't tell me it's one of those days. Hey, it works. Nice. Yeah, okay. And can do that too. You're crazy in the coconut. All right. I have some problems with my eye. Not super nice. Parrot. There we go. All right. Let's see. Okay. Sometimes a parrot talks. Let's see. I'm alive here. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be an interesting stream. Oh no! I missed a few. No. That didn't work. There we go. All right. Let's take a look at altough.youtube. And I want the chat from this and the chat from this one. Oh, break? Didn't get any.
Ad break alert. Mudcat's chilling here.
Okay, he's a bit slow today.
Green heart paw prints.
What's up with the fucking emotes? Why is it doing this? I don't get it. My cat is really wants to do emotes, and it's disabled. It does it anyway. It's so weird. How the hell do I disable it? It does green heart paw prints every time it says something. I guess I have to change it here. Emojis. When he never uses emojis. There we go. Maybe it works now. Hello, LTJ. Thank you for the likes. Okay, let's see. Ad is over. Hello, Askill. Let's see if stuff works as it should.
Ad over. Mudcat's back to play. Meow. Poppin's green heart.
Poppins. I don't know what's going on with my cat. Whatever. I don't know. I'm doing pretty good. How about you? All right. All right. Let's see. I won't have any music on YouTube. It's so weird. Why is it doing emotes? Anyway, today I'm gonna continue with the game. Let's see if I can put that. The first one. I'm gonna do some UI updates today, so nothing's fancy, and I might change to a game later. Hosted a party last night. Done well. Oh no. Hola, Alan Skyford. How are you doing? Hosting a party. I've done that a couple of times, and it's pretty rough. I have to tell. It can be a lot if you have to do everything on your own and stuff like that. And people get so drunk, and then you have to take care of them. That's the worst. Unless you get really drunk and you can't do anything, then they have to take care of you. Hi there, remember me on TikTok? Baba fan? I remember your nickname, I think, but I don't remember. I'm sorry, I don't remember what we said or anything like that. Oh yeah, I was about to fix this. Need to have the chat over here. This one too. We fortunately only have to take care of one guy, so that's a win, I guess. Yeah, it's a win. Stuff like that can be pretty rough. No, I don't remember. I don't remember at all. Your friend, dude, I don't know. I do not remember. Not at all. How should I remember? Dude, I don't know. See if we can get the... if we have the audio. I need that. It has to be here. I hope you remember, is it? It's okay, though. Why would I? You can never ask a streamer to remember you if you, like, show up once every 2-3 weeks. It's impossible. Unless you are, like, known in the community. It's super hard to remember people. I'm so sorry. This is just a hobby. I don't work for a game studio. The depression one? What? I'm just making a new UI for this. An update and bug fixes. I do not work for I work for a publisher, but that's something else. But I don't work in game dev, really. You have depression, but now you're okay. That's good to hear. Yeah. It's just a hobby. I'm just learning. I'm a beginner. You can't ask people to be your friend online like that. It doesn't work like that. So sorry. Yeah, that's just not how it works. Yeah, so I'm just started working on a visual novel for fun. And I'm looking at deals. I want something Halloweenish. Pretty expensive though. Let's see. asogout.itch.io. You don't bother me, but it doesn't really work like that. You can't ask people, hey, you want to be my friend? You become friend if you hang out with people, like talk to people. That's how you make friends. Da boop. Yeah, so this was for a visual novel game jam. This first game I ever made, and I used plugins and stuff to make it in Godot. I've learned quite a lot, but it's quite buggy, and a few people have played it, so I'm happy about that. But now I want to make a little update to it. I also need to A lot of stuff happened during this time. My partner broke up with me, and a bunch of shit happened. So it's been pretty stressful. So I didn't really didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted. So now I just want to fine tune it. And after the UI update, it will be a audio update. Yeah. I'm sure I can. So what I've been doing now is just making it work a little bit better. I don't need friends. They disappoint me. Okay, prop. That's good. Why doesn't it show up here? How acquired taste of cat? I couldn't see that message, Frop. I don't know why it didn't show up. But now I can see it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I missed these messages. It's trying, okay? Yeah. Oh, no, they didn't show up. I'm gonna do a test here. It works. Maybe I can pop this out just to have it. Did I? No, this one can be paused. Don't need that. A raid? What the hell? I didn't do anything yet. What the hell, dude? What is this? All right, we'll see. Oh my god, who raided? Okay, I'm gonna try to focus here. I just started. Okay, let's see what's going on. That's me. Who's the raider here? I only read big visual novels. I haven't read many at all. It was the first time I actually did it. Read some novels and then I made one. Let's see who's the raider. Let's see. Dead some prime. Okay, I'm gonna get you a shout out. I hope that's some prime. Yeah, there we go. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. How you doing? I was not expecting this already, but there. Let's go. I'm working on a little update for my visual novel game jam thing that I made, and yeah, it's gonna be a UI update. But I'm gonna check you out. I'm a beginner, so it's beginner stuff. You were making something too, I think. What were you doing? What the hell is this? Almost spooky day. Yes, isn't it spooky day during the weekend? I think. I was making the castle. The castle. What? Wait a minute. That's a clip. Are you a squid? What is this? A castle. What is this avatar, dude? Oh, we're getting ads.
Here to compete in real life challenges to win this Lego Gamer trophy. We're gonna enter the Lego Sonic the Hedgehog universe.
That's all the things. Yeah, I'm a beginner sort of hobby development dude. I've been doing 3D a lot and learning that. And now I decided I would check out, like, I wanted to learn a bit of coding and stuff like that. So I'm kind of in the process of learning. And thank you all, everyone, for the follows and stuff like that, by the way. What is this? Oh, you do? Oh, okay, you do 3D as well? What the hell? This is coolest stuff I haven't seen. What the hell is this?
Without fucking everything. You know what?
Oh my god, this is so unique, dude.
There. Now what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do about that, huh?
Oh my god. I love it. What is this? This is weird. It's so cool. Where did it go?
It's not supposed to be.
It's one of the games you made. Do you have like links or something? Let's take a look. See if my computer can handle this right now. That's so cool. Let's see about secret redeems. Plays the canon game? You made a game for the stream? I've been thinking about making a game during ad breaks that just
almost have it dialed in.
The people can like just use a command to slap something like a box or TV during the ad break or something, and then it's so cool.
Doing pretty good.
Those towers are chatters and they shoot each other. Oh, that's so cool.
You guys are getting close. I can feel it. You know what? I'm off screen, but I can probably still fire in your direction.
That's awesome. Oh, see, is this gonna be like a Twitch interaction thing? Oh my god, what's going on here? Oh, this is the coolest avatar I've seen in a long time, dude. Oh my god, what is this?
Of these little bits I'm gonna
Holy
have to
shit,
move
this
around a
is
little bit,
awesome.
you know?
Wow.
Man, that low key pisses. Well, okay, actually,
It's Gooby?
high key pisses me off. The fact
That's
that
so
like,
good. I love this. I'll check you out later, dude. That's awesome. Gooby. I have my little mug cat. He lost his voice recently, but yeah, I have my mug cat. I do a little bit of 3D stuff as well. I can show it. Let's see if I can have this on top always. Always. There we go. I do a little bit of Blender and stuff. So, by the way, if you gotta run because you have to do something, don't worry. But I do a bit cuter, like low poly stuff. I made my own model and stuff like that. There we go. I missed that. See if I can actually. ArtStation. How do you go? There we go. Wow. Yeah, that's so cool. I like your stuff. But I make a bit of 3D stuff as well, but more cuter, I guess. So simple stuff. That's kind of what I do. These were for Art Fight. This one was for Art Fight as well. So that's what I do. But that's so awesome. I love it. Thank you so much for the raid. There we go. So I do a little bit of everything. I think I'm interested in more like simpler stuff. I want to make low poly assets. Yeah. I'm kind of looking for projects in general. I want to practice. And yeah. And I make VTubers. Yeah. Stuff like that. But that's what I do. And now I'm using Godot to make a very simple visual novel. I don't know much. It's already released, but it's so buggy. I have to fix it. And I made all the models and stuff for this. So I made a UI update with better like text and stuff to look a bit better and stuff like that. So now I need to update all the chapters to make it work basically. But it doesn't have any music yet, this game. So I hope it didn't break now. Let's refresh this just in case. It's nice, I can have it like this. But I need to change that. Hello, Tashmani, how are you doing? Hey, if it's hard to make a VTuber, yes. I would say it's pretty hard to make a VTuber. Yeah. Hey, thank you for the follow. My cat is broken, so he might not answer.
Hello, Tatmany. Mudcat's ready for some meowtastic adventures with you. Let's have a perfect chat together in the cozy coffee cup world.
He sounds different
Cat-face
today.
hot beverage.
He lost his voice, and now I took a spooky ghost voice. And I don't know if I can get his old voice back. We'll see. I have to pay money for that, and I don't know if I want that. I made a narrative choose your own adventure that remembers your health and stats by over 930. Holy shit. Oh man, that sounds terrible. That sounds like a lot of work, Dead Son. I'm not into that. It's too hard. 930. But it kind of, okay, did you have to, is it dynamic? Finally went through puberty. It was 3 years of writing. Holy shit, dude. I'll never be able to do that. Oh my god. Voice drop below the floor. Yeah. But he's doing this emote thing. I don't know why. He does green heart paw prints after every sentence, and I can't remove it. That's so cool though, Dead Son. Do you have a website or something that I can check out? Or an itch or a Steam or whatever? It would be cool. Tashmani, I'm not the best. Been through rough few months and a rough week. Oh, dude, same here. This week has been pretty rough for me. It's been so stressful. I totally get you. I broke up with my partner I've been together with her for 7 years. And yeah. Yes, my Patreon. Well, feel free to share it. Every time you play is a different thing, normally to do with cryptids and aliens. Yeah, it was pretty big, big week. Hello, Tommy on YouTube. I'm a multi-streamer, by the way, so it might be a bit confusing. I talk to a bunch of different platforms at the same time. Yeah, so it was a big week. And not only for me, but for Tashmania as well. Then I think I fixed this chapter already. So this is something I added. I wish I could buy a beer or something. I'm not sure if a beer isn't the best thing at this point. I shouldn't resort to drinking. What happened? What do you mean? Did something happen? Did the stream not work or something? In Tasmania? What happened in Tasmania? I don't know. Hello, Pancake Cat. Here to lurk after eating lunch. Oh my god. There we go. We had all the text showed up at the same time. I think I have some errors with my chat. Pancake Cat. I live in Queensland. Okay, I live in Sweden. Pancake Cat. So I had some issues here with the text. I don't know why it does this, but... And she shouldn't have any... No, that seems to work. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna fix the portal. Hey, thank you for the follow. Let's see. Speedstar. And by the way, Boom, thank you. That's such a... You're gonna be called Boom, if that's kind of the name. Boom, and thank you, Speedstar, for the follow. Yeah. I don't know what happened. It was... Hee-ho! Yeah. What is this icon? Super Ultra Combo 2023. Where are my... Where is my chapters? Oh, sorry about your breakup. I hope you're not hurting too much. It's Kidder? Hello, Almond Cow. It's okay. I mean, I'm hurting, but it's fine. It's not my first. What do you say? First time I've been in this situation. It's a bit different this time though, because it's been so nice. It's been such a good relationship, and it's been lovely. It's been great, you know. Bye bye, Almond. It's been really good. That's the annoying part. There's nothing bad. I have nothing like bad to say about it, you know. Okay, let's see. Thank you for the follow. I can pause while he's talking. He's a bit slow today.
My cat got a fresh new voice, all purrs. Paw Prince Green Heart.
He always does the... I don't know, Tiny, why he does the Paw Prince Green Heart after every sentence. It's so strange. I have no idea why. He never did it before, and now he does it. So whenever you say something to it, he's gonna do it. Paw Prince Green Heart. Oh. I'm trying to find solutions for his voice, like better, different voices. Hello, Ellie. And thank you for the follow, Zero. So I want to add some stuff to him. Paw Prince Green Heart. I wonder why he does that. Strange. Hey, hit pets. Because right now I'm using TTS Monster, and they actually have his voice, the old voice, but you have to pay like, I don't know, $10 a month, and I'm not sure if I want to pay money to have it, you know, right? It doesn't make sense. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's see if I can start fixing this one. The portal. I don't need this weight thingy, and I don't need that here. Oh, there we go. What the hell? Anyway, how's your computer doing, Tiny? This is too much right now. The portal. You wake up at the portal. Maybe I should have like a... Oh, that's fine. Narrator. It should be narrator. Still updating and downloading? Oh. It's gonna be fine. Oh, this is the error that I had. I don't know why it does this. It does that little thing. It's a little glitch. I don't know if it matters that much. You see, it glitches out. It changes style. What if I add a weight for input, maybe? Then it just breaks if I don't hide it. Oh, that's good. That works. You know what? I'm just gonna see if his voice works today. Maybe the voice Mike has been using is a TikTok. Thank you for the follow, by the way, on TikTok. the corrupted backup wasn't bad enough for my files to be gone, so I could salvage the files. Just need to re-download all programs. Oh, that's good. You know, then you don't have to do it all over again because that's pretty annoying. I'm gonna see because the voice for my cat is like a TikTok free voice thingy, and it seems like it didn't work last time. So I'm gonna take a look if I can make it work again because I kind of if he doesn't have the same voice anymore, it kind of feels weird to me. Let's see. That's the one. No.
POG
Oh!
Online Poggers.
He's back. Are you back, my cat? Say something. Hello, Maki Kitty.
Meow. Mudcat talks in purrs and cozy vibes. Let's chat.
Oh, he's back. He works. Yes. Happy. I'm happy about that. I want to add another pet as well. That's going to be only for text to speech because apparently I can divide, like have one that is AI pet and one that is for text to, like when you want to do TTS. The TTS one could be like I don't know, anything else, any kind of pet I would like. And they would kind of be divided. I think that would be cool. I'm going to try to figure that out. Ugh, that's good because I don't want to pay for a new voice, you know? Okay. Capagen, yes. Now they wake up the polar. What happened is going to be this lunar inner. Maybe I can just hide this. Hola on I don't know Spanish by the way, so if you new OC coming. Yeah, my cat didn't, his voice didn't work for one stream, and then I had to I don't know, change his voice, but now it seems to work again, so that's good. I'm happy because I could use TTS Monster, but it could. I'm sorry, but I have a lot of people that they come to my stream and they start speaking Spanish and I don't know what to say, or they speak like Portuguese or something, and I have to use Google Translate. It happens every time. I'm so sorry if you don't. I don't mean anything bad, okay? No, speak English, no much. Okay, okay, there we go. It's embarrassing when it happens. Teapot cat. Yeah, we can use have to use Microsoft Voice. Yeah, we could do. Let's see, narrator here. Oh, there we go.
Positively perfect Pat from Tin Extremes. Meow, thanks.
Poco Poco. I don't know what Poco Poco means. I have no clue. It's embarrassing. Speak English. What the fuck is going on? I don't know. I'm glad everything is back to normal. There we go.
At break time, Mudcat's here to stay. Meow.
Meow. Even when I enter Russian stream, I talk in English and I end up being called an idiot. Well, if you go to a stream that with someone that is speaking English, a little poco English, okay, a little bit of English, a little English, okay. Meow, indeed. So, yeah. What's this? Okay, there we go. Why did he go away? This is gonna be leave. I don't know. This is gonna be lunar inner. In theory, I should speak Spanish, but I only remember a few words. I should speak German because I in school I had to choose German as third language, and I don't know shit. Hey, thank you for the follow on TikTok. This is gonna be no. So today's stream will be more of a just chatting stream, and
Done. Mugcat's
because
back
I
to
won't
play.
really,
Meow.
I won't really do too much in the. I do remember some German words, and the only thing I remember is like my friend told me "Ich bin eine großes Schwein." I think it means I'm a big pig or something. That's the only thing, and it wasn't even from the teacher. Guten Tag, yeah. Ich heiße Asugaut. I don't know. Eine kleine. I don't know. That's about it. That's how much I know. I don't know. Beer back, sister needs help. Ast ist eine gelbe Katze. What?
Welcome on, Lorena. Mi casa is casa, or something. Sorry, my Spanish is non-existent.
All right. Now for real, beer bag, no worries. Hello, Monty. Yeah, today will be a simple stream. I'm gonna just add new stuff to this game. I call you a yellow cat because you are. No, I'm green. Green cat. You know what? It would be cool if you could add changed voice on my cat. I don't know if I can fix this. The graveyard. Okay, this one. You have to select where to go next. The game deving. Right now I'm just... Ace is colorblind for real. Yeah. No, not really. Aber ja, natürlich. Eminem Wasserfall. I don't know. Ace colorblind. How's game deving going? Well, I am... I'm just adjusting stuff in the plugin. I made a UI, and I also made a I don't know what it means. Made a little effect here on. Made a new start menu and a parallax effect with this one. Hans is wet. He's standing under a waterfall. Hans is okay. Cat with a hat. Hello, TikTok cat. So that's what I've been doing. So not much coding today. I have to change this to chatting, I think. Because right now the game is pretty buggy, so yes, making it a bit nicer. You have to select where to go next. That's good. Why is there no audio? Well, you should be able to hear me. Bop, 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 bop. Yeah, you can hear me. Well, there's no music. I don't play anything on TikTok. I could maybe do this, though. So when you watch me on TikTok, you don't get music. You hear of a cat in a hat. Now get ready for cat doing a nap. You're gonna go sleep? There we go. Then the graveyard. Okay, cool. Now I need to change because if I have... I think this one should be... Enter portal. No, I'm no cat. You are now. You should be able to hear me. Let's see. You have to select go where I need to connect. I don't think I need to change too much here. Visit locations. It's time to finish this. I think that's fine as it is. The graveyard. Graveyard. Go to the force. Join Lunar. Yeah. Bunrog? No, nu Catrog. Thank you. Winter. For the follow. I think I should remove the weight here. And this should be narrator. Not is probably good as it is. Catfrog? Yeah. Catfrog. Catfrog is pretty cool. Thank you for the lurk. Thank you for the lurk. Cold and set. Petty cat cat.
Colden _ sets possum pat. Mudcat says meowtastic thanks.
Yeah. Let's go into the other chapter. So I'm gonna start with the schoolyard. I think would be best. I'm just gonna see if this works as it is. Here in Balkan, we use potatoes as Wi-Fi, and some people still use dial-up. No, it's not true. I know people from Balkan. No way. It's not that bad, dude. No, it's not true. It is true. No, it's not true that you. At least one does with the with the. I got modem at my house. No way. You don't use dial-up in. No. Why would you? It makes no sense. You can't use potato as Wi-Fi either. It's not possible, you know. Potato Wi-Fi. I need to get the 4G router if I'm next year for streaming. It's gonna be, I don't know. I don't want to, but I have to. You can use pretty much anything Wi-Fi if you shake it right. What? I gotta try this. I have some coffee beans. I'm gonna shake them, drink them, and become Wi-Fi. Speedy Wi-Fi does exist, but it's rare. I don't know why my Wi-Fi is slow. That would work. Potato-Fi on the router? Yeah. Surely. Tiny's back. By the way, thank you for all the recommendations. I'm gonna try to play some spooky games this week. Dial-up is pretty commonly used for steering elements in places that don't allow for classic cabling or where satellite communication are visible. I know, Big Linter. I mean, it's not that bad. Balkan isn't like third world. It's you know, it's. Look, I'm an alien that is 14.8 billion years old. Trust me, I know how to make Wi-Fi great. Okay. Shake some potatoes and you can use them as dial-up. Or Wi-Fi. You can get the Starlink. You can have Starlink in the Amazon jungle. You can have it in Balkan too. Balkan pretty big though. That reminds me, I have to, since I'm moving in February, I need to change. So they move it to my new apartment because, yeah, I have fiber and Starlink in a lag connection. Okay. Amazon maybe, but not about 4,000 meters up in the air. Not reliable around the world. Okay. Not around the world. Oh, that's true actually. So they have to select they have to place them where it works best, I guess. If the fiber goes down, we have Starlink. Oh, but the fiber doesn't go down often. If you need a backup like that, that's crazy though. Our routers are literally connected to a random rod at the top of wheat company. Okay. Sinbam. Okay. If I checked that out with 4G routers because I need one in my studio. I do need backup because of the crazy stuff I do. Okay, that's cool. I didn't know you could have like a router that is like 4G and also Ethernet, and then if the Ethernet, like if the fiber would go down, it would go to the 4G or 5G. That's pretty cool. I've been taking a look at that stuff lately, actually. Have 5G and it's slow, but then you don't have 5G. High availability text. Yeah, I guess it is. Internet. Yeah. That worked. And this one works too. Man, I don't know. The problem is that right now I have such a good solution. I have my apartment nearby my studio, and I get internet with one of these. What's it called? I can never spell the name. Ubiquity. Ubiquity. Antenna. No, I'm from Sweden. These. A couple of these, I think. Yeah. And this is like an antenna, and then I have two of these, and they work so well. But since I'm gonna move, I'm gonna have to get 5G or 4G. But Tiny, you should maybe you can get. Why don't you show up here, Tiny? When it comes to my private internet, my provider central is about 1,000 meters away, so my connection is quite good. That's awesome. Hello, Obi. Oh, Obi, I'm sorry I didn't check out the cartoons. I'm so sorry. I forgot. I just realized. I'm so sorry, Obi. I'm gonna check it out when I can. Can't wait to get fiber. Can you get Starlink? Maybe you can get Starlink. I don't respond to Swedish. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna check it out as soon as I can. I've been lazy. I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna check it out after stream. I'm so sorry. Well, I hope you like it. I will. He seems to work fine. That works too. I don't think I need to do much. I just need to make everything okay. I'm barely in the new episode, but it's really well made. I'm in the first one. I checked out a little bit on stream, right? Have a little box here for that guy now. Yeah, she animates as she should. They start working on putting fiber everywhere next year. I hope I get it. I hope I don't get it last. Can't you get Starlink? I mean, if your internet's so shit, high fiber diet. That moves to the right side. That's good. And now he's gonna change the blue color here. Yeah, there we go. It's good. I have Nokia 3330 with dial-up. No, you don't have you don't use your phone for dial-up. I don't trust people who don't get their physics right, beside other thing. So no Starlink for me. You mean Elon? Elon is nuts. Elon is garbage. Garbage person. He doesn't understand. He's like a weird.
Meow, Mudcat's on the perfectly fast fiber. No
What?
dial-up here.
Yeah, he doesn't have any dial-up. Yeah, the thing about Elon is just confused. So I don't know about him. Dial some random number. You have random number dial-up. The coffee will show you through. That's cool. That works. Okay. And then this one works too. think. I'm just gonna take a look. It's a spoiled rich person. It's a random number. I wrote it and I closed that. Didn't work on Google, your number? What? I don't know. Sure he is, but I don't like what he's doing to X. That's kind of... thing is, before X, all of that stuff, like 4 years ago or 3 years ago, I thought he was, he was doing okay, but he's just going crazier and crazier, and I really don't... It's so weird, because the thing about him, about Elon, is that it's gonna take a few years and then it's gonna like turn into something else. He's gonna become a good guy or something. That's the thing. And people are gonna be like, "Oh, now it's nice." I don't know what's gonna happen to him, because he kind of adapts to what was best for his businesses. That's what he does. It's all about that for him. And but he's not even trying to fake. He's not even trying to be nice. That's the thing, right? Okay, let's see if this works now. Okay, Sinbad on TikTok. Only thing I can connect to is some Nokia club. What are you in the 90s? Did you get stuck? Time to nap. My ass... I read my ass burst. My ass hurt because I had physical therapy and got my ass massage. Okay, it's nice that you got some ass massage. The graveyard, and that's gonna bring us back to the portal. And it break. Okay, what the hell just happened?
Abyssa Bird, your voice is chirptastic. Mudcat loves it.
Just collect phones. Don't collect phones. They're terrible. Obi, that make me sad. What happened? Okay. What the hell just happened? Let's see if I can change the visited the... It's gonna be... Oh. Thank you for the roses, Sylvie. Dude is seeking validation online. I cannot think about any... The game is looking good. I'm making progress. And hopefully it's gonna be a bit nice. Then I want to make a music and story update, and then I think I'm gonna be going to the next project. I still use Windows 7. That's terrible. Don't do it.
Frinkers 100.
Oh
which
my
doesn't
God.
Offer cat bits.
100
Sorry.
Twitch.
Doesn't offer cat bits. Sorry.
Only dog bits? Why did I get double and thank you for the roses. And did I get double? Why did I get double TTS? I'm gonna think about stupider things. Well, thinking about him prop, I don't know. It's not only about him. I mean, he's the frontman of all these companies, but there's a bunch of companies that have idiots that don't step forward and tell everyone that they are idiots. So I guess that's the difference. I don't like that he's going into politics and that is gonna change the world so much if it does. Let's see if I can focus. Video gas station. If true. I gotta mostly lurk. Yeah, most companies is called as know a pyramid scheme if you see one. I don't know much about that. Yeah, they are very hateful. I think he's blocked, or I've hidden it. I don't know if you can do that I don't follow him at least. But it wasn't like that, But he is like that now. So I don't know why he's just trying to... It's just shit. And the thing is that people still use the platform because, I mean, people should just avoid it. It's like people talk shit about him and then they still use his platform. And it's kind of double-sided, or I don't know what to call it. He's an asshole, that's for sure. I don't know Adam something. I played FNAF jump scare at max with headphones. My ears said goodbye. Okay. Thank you for the biddies, by the way. But let's see. From I've been to, let's see, timeline. Graveyard. Yeah, graveyard. See if this works. That shouldn't do that. Oh, I don't need to do that, actually. I can just do this. But why did it show the... Okay, now if I select the graveyard, it's gonna flip out and show the... It didn't do that now. Oh, here you go. Okay, what happened here? Why did it do that? Narrator. Maybe I need to do this all in one. It's because it's changing the enter portal. Is it going to another chapter? It shouldn't need to do that. Guess that's a problem. Style chatting. Choices. What is Adam something? Is this something is safe to... let's see. If it's safe to Google. What? Is some YouTuber? Someone doing... self-driving cars and stuff? I have no idea what this is. Never heard about it. Is it controversial? Let's see. Maybe if I remove the weight. Don't need that. Something is breaking it. Not really controversial. I don't know anything about it. What is it? But yeah, I know that Elon is asshole. I agree. I really don't have any... I don't like him. But before he went like crazy, like he is now, I didn't mind, you know. I'm like, oh, he's doing a bunch of stuff, you know. But now he's just crazy. That actually seemed to help, but it's super glitchy. What the hell is this music, dude? Okay. I hate rich people. A speed star? No, I don't hate rich people. Taken 8? Martial law? What? I hate people. That's the guy with the hair, dude. What the hell? At first I'm like, oh, is this some kind of... Then I saw the name, I'm like, Taken 8? What the hell? I do hate super rich people. Here, Capricorn, I have not. I don't know what that is. Sinban on TikTok. I don't mind rich people if they do good shit, you know? Okay, that's the graveyard, and then it brings you back, and then it glitches out here. Why does it do it? Is it because it goes back to the... Oh, okay. Oh, I see why. I see why. Probably because of this. Let's take a look. I don't know. It sounds unsafe to Google. I'm not going to Google that. I don't think it's like about him. Hopefully he's gonna, I don't know. Rich years are egotistical ones. I don't think you can become super rich without being that. Except when you get older, you're gonna become nicer. And I think that's what's happening to Bill Gates. Bill Gates used to be the biggest asshole, but it's kind of softening up, I think. And he's doing some things, you know. I think he's getting older, very old, and then he becomes nicer. That's the thing. But he wasn't very good. He was pretty terrible. But he is better now. That works. But the need to hide that. So it's gonna jump. I'm gonna hide this if, let's see, this is gonna be a if condition. If clicked. What? Click graveyard. Do you know any rich woman who's a jerk? I don't think they. I don't know actually. To be honest, there's not. I don't think there's any super rich people, but they are rich women. It's a plane, but weird. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if you should care too much. I mean, it's kind of sad that there's so much money on one person and they could do something good with it, but they don't do it. You know, that's kind of sad. If click graveyard not equal to true, then it's gonna do that. It's gonna work, right? Then it's gonna do the portal. Then I think after I click it, it's not gonna show it again. I think it's gonna skip it. Go to graveyard. I need a light source. As soon as the bad decision of someone influences or threatens my life, I do care. Threatens your life? What happened? Well, then it doesn't work anymore. Okay. I shouldn't make it like this. It should be like check out graveyard. I could add a maybe a change style. No, I can add a wait for what the fuck? It's the bad decision. What's gonna happen? Who did that? What did Elon do? Do you like dogs? Yes, I like dogs. I have a dog actually. Or I have a dog right now. He's not mine, so I'm not gonna have him anymore. But let's see.
Ad break now. Mugcat's here with you.
Ad break. I'm gonna be right back. Wee! Elon.
Add done. Mudcat's back to play.
Oh,
Meow.
that was perfect. That was a good toilet break, and he went. Yeah, I went toilet. The toilet. I'm gonna toggle on my VTubers.
Timer loop is enabled.
I don't know. I mean, it's kind of crazy with the super rich. But thing is, also, you know, Twitter or X or whatever the hell it's called. You know, it's such a small place. It's not a big social media place. It's barely used in Sweden, as an example. People don't talk about Twitter. People don't use it. I use it, but it's very specific. Like, it's unusual. So people don't really use it here. It's not common. I call it Twitter. Is a better name. I don't care. I mean, they changed it to X. I don't know. I don't. It's just a different platform now. It kind of sucks. If you want to call it Twitter, I totally get it. 70% of the user base migrated to Blue Sky. I actually don't think so. I have Blue Sky, but I don't know if I like it. I don't like Twitter either. That's the problem, you know? I don't know. Maybe Blue Sky is better. Maybe I'm gonna enjoy Blue Sky. Actually, Mastodon. Oh, that's very, very. That's for the that's very specific though. I mean, that's a platform that people would enjoy. That's the thing, Big Linter. So many people are talking good about Blue Sky, and I don't want to be critical on any platform. No, I mean, it's very specific that not many people use it. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know the language. I never used Mastodon. Blue Sky is like when they say, "Oh, come to Blue Sky. AI doesn't exist there, dude." It's a platform that is making money, basically selling user information because it's for free. You know, that's how internet works. And stuff's gonna happen to that platform, and people are gonna be like shocked that that's actually how it works. But it's like any other platform online, you know. I know it doesn't sell anything, but people won't be using Mastodon. And it works. Yeah, well, I don't see why people will move to it. People are either going to use Twitter or Blue Sky. Depends on where they find their people. Oh my God, I need to focus here, this location. If I add a... This is probably... Let's try that. I don't know much about the Mastodon actually, but I don't think it's big compared to like. I wouldn't guess it's big compared to Facebook or Instagram. There's no rage bait and ass in the comments, so I'm fine with it. Monty, yeah, that's good. But thing is that, yeah, that's why it's a nice. Blue Sky is nice. But I don't know. I never use Twitter much, to be honest. So I'm gonna try to use Blue Sky. I have Blue Sky. A bunch of people are following me there, but I never talked to them before. So hopefully I can get a nice following there compared to Twitter. Because Twitter has been terrible for me. I'm shadow banned. Have you ever took a large spoon but put some food in it and eat it but whole? What do you mean? Well, Big Linter, why does it matter? I mean, then you can tell me how big it is then.
Meow. Mudcat's unique voice is unmistakably his own.
Yeah, he's back. He doesn't have the bass voice anymore. So it works again. I guess it was some glitch or something. Yeah. I'm so sorry. It doesn't have the bass voice. Let's see if it works now. Yeah, that works. Good. Okay, let's do the guest, the schoolyard, I think. Livic on Steam. See if I can copy that. Thank you for the follow. I think you could send links, maybe. What is this? Mastodon number of registered users worldwide as of March 2023. Okay, that's a year ago. Is this in millions? Number of millions? That's 10 millions only. That's nothing. That's like nothing. Can I see this? Let's see. Instagram. What the hell? Let's see. How many members? Instagram. 2 billion. I don't have 10 million friends. Do you? No, I don't. How would you react if you got a universe right now? I don't know what that is. $3 billion. This is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about that Twitter and all of those. Like Twitter is a small, tiny platform. This is tiny. 586 million monthly active users. This is tiny compared to the other platforms. That's what I'm talking about. In Sweden, no one talks about Twitter because we don't use it. I'm working on a visual novel. I'm just making it. So that's what I'm saying, Big Linter. It's not. I don't have anything to like bad stuff about the Mastodon, but if it's only 10 million users, that's very little for being a social media. It's very, very small. Even Tumblr is bigger, probably. Let's do the graveyard. No, not the graveyard. Let's do... 2 billion. No, it wasn't 2 billion. That was for Facebook. Let's see. It was this one. This is for Twitter. This is for Facebook. And 2 billion was for Instagram. And it's 10 million for Mastodon. That's not very much. Now, let's see. You can see here. How many members? TikTok. 1.6 billion. I can't hear you. There's no audio, but there is audio. You should be able to hear me. I can see that the audio is working here. Hello, Arthur. I can see that it does output sound. So don't worry. Where's my gas station? Let's do schoolyard. It's the easiest one to fix. I'm gonna remove the weight. And let's see, custom speaker can be like that. Join Lunar left. Arthur Morgan. Oh, it's so sad that I get the bad ending, Arthur. I got this such a shit ending I got. It's such a good game though. I love that game. Oh, there we go. Custom speaker. Prologue. Which one did I have for this one? I The big linter. The only thing is that I'm saying is that Mastodon is great. I mean, if everyone used a platform like that, that would be awesome. Or you know, but the problem is that people pick up these shit platforms to sell your data, and Blue Sky is great. It works way better than X, and hopefully I can build a following there. But what people don't talk about is that it is for free, and it is online, so there's a reason for it. It's pretty realistic. Red Dead Redemption 2. I'm not really programming, I'm just changing my storyline right now. Doesn't mean I'm not advocating for true freedom. Dude, I don't know. Let's see. It's gonna be... I think this one should be inner... Yeah, I'm using a plugin in Godot to make a story. Flight simulator is the most realistic. I need to change this to the narrator. Oh, it changes. Okay. Change style. Microsoft Flight Simulator. There we go. Looks way better. I'm using Godot for that's the game engine, and I made a little bit of coding. I made simple stuff, but since I'm a beginner, but I'm using a plugin called. Let's see. Let's close this. I'm using a plugin called Dialogic. It's been. I don't know if I can recommend it. It's good, but it's been a bit buggy for me, so I've been kind of working against the plugin as I don't really know what it's doing. But it was like a challenge for me to make my first visual novel, and I could make it, and I did make it, but it was a bit glitchy. I'm learning though. So this is a plugin to get that visual storyline thingy. About 1.5 months on and off. I made it last month. It's already up on my my itch here. You can download it if you want. It's on my isuga.itch.io. No, this Godot is using what's it called? GD script raid. Okay, there we go. Another raid. Oh my god. Hi, I'm part of the raid. Hello, Kalozi. Puffin raid. Let's get shout out for Mixed Puffin. Let's see. They are great. Oh my god. Mixed Puffin. Everyone into the office self-made Alu Palak. What? Are you giving food to everyone? Playing so cozy. What is this? Let's see. Let's see what you were doing. Well, the coding itself is complicating, but I don't have to do much of that right now. It's gonna be for my next project. Will be more oriented into programming. I'm gonna explore that much more and try to learn, but not today. Let's go to the zoo. Let's see. Hey, we got ads.
Inte jag.
Men yes, Platinum! Jag bara slänger in den, även på det korta programmet.
Oh, it's a fake voice.
Har en unik kombination av kraftfulla vätskor och förbättrat pulver.
Bara sätt in den här och ta
Wow.
ut den här! Det ska om, inte om jag får bestämma.
Vår bästa
I'm
rengöring
not coding,
mot
dude.
tuffa
I'm
mattester.
fixing stuff. I'm making I made the UI, and now just AI ads. AIDS? Ads? What? Fucking AI. There's so much AI voices in ads. Oh, you had a fishing one. This one doesn't work anymore for me. It's fucking broken. Rubber ducky. What did you play? Well, that's the longest arm in the world. Look at that. What's this emote?
Oh, fuck. How am I blind? How am I blind?
That's the longest arm in the world. What's your
Oh, it's right there. Shit.
FOV here? What's your feel of view here? Is it game was mega boring? Okay. That sounds good. Sounds like a game I should play. 120 FOV? Yeah, I can see.
Yummy. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the tip.
Oh, gross old man.
Gross old man, yeah. What are you feeding me? Feeding him? Wow, look at that clipping.
Oh, yeah.
Actually clipping into the object?
Shit up.
The characters, okay. Is it bad? Do you not recommend this game? Well, that's Puffin. You should check out Puffin. They're amazing. There we go. Boring. Yeah, okay. Boring. 60 inches arm. What? Okay, let's see if it works. I'm just updating the UI and chatting. It's just chatting stream basically. Isn't that bad to watch? But sometimes it's fun to watch, but the game you play is terrible. Yeah, that's how it is. That's why I don't pick up web fishing, guys, because I would hate it. I would be so bored. It looks great, and I understand why people want to watch it, but when I watched it, I'm like, I'm not gonna have fun playing this. You can play guitar in web fishing. Whoa. It looks like shit. I don't want to play it. I guess people like it, but I don't know if I would enjoy it. I'm kind of scared if I buy it, I'm not going to enjoy it. Is it good? Is it fun? I mean, if you can play the guitar, I guess it maybe. It's 7. That's not a lot. Actually, it's that cheap. What? I didn't even... Fun with people, but then I have to find people. It's not even 7. It's 5 euro. I like the style. I think it looks, but I'm not. I don't like the fish. You know. Regionally priced, but this is gonna be 7. Euro 2 sec. It's gonna be. What the fuck is this? Oh wow, that's super cheap. I can get this, no problem. Maybe I should. You think I should get web fishing and play it once or twice? If you want to, I could. Yeah, give it a crack. Okay, I'll get it. Wait a minute. Now web fishing. It was a game jam. Now on stream. Okay, it's on Steam. I'm not gonna refund the game that costs 5 euro. You're gonna be hooked? Okay. Okay, I will get it. It's free on itch, but the itch version, it says here, update. Web fishing has been totally remade. It's on Steam. Game, but people liked it and they made it into full game. What I don't understand is people tell me, oh, you should customize. Tiny told me, and some other people told me, so I don't know. I should check it out then. I will. I promise you, I will. What the hell? I will check it out. Okay, now I don't remember what I was doing. That's how it is when I do this. It's more of a just chatting stream. But yeah. Dark. What the hell is this? Let's change. This is when he's gonna change. Narrator, I think. Yeah. Game Jam is basically 24 hours game product speed run, but few cool games came out of it. It was 24 hours. If they made that in 24 hours, that's pretty cool. That's pretty good. Are you replying to yourself? Don't compare it to GTA 5. It's good for a beginner. It looks good. It looks good. I think it looks great. Web fishing. That's not the thing. I just don't like fishing. But maybe it's a fun game for even if you don't like the fish. If they made it in 24 hours, that's pretty cool. I say. It's gonna be inner dialogue. There's some other stuff to do. Yeah, I get a lot of memes on TikTok where people draw. What's it called? Oh,
Changing
boy
the
kisser.
life to the model.
People just draw boy kisser everywhere on the ground. That's what I see. That's the memes I get on TikTok. I guess that's the. There we go. Choices only. I like her. She's okay. This is gonna be the chatting. No, this can be lunar. Yeah. Oh, it changes VTuber sometimes. I have a couple of ones. Okay, I'll check it out. I'm gonna add it to my list, and I'm gonna let's see. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, there we go. Backlog. Get web fishing. Maybe I can play it here Thursday or Friday. It's not a spooky game, is it? And how do you play with others in it? Though I will do it. I might actually play it tomorrow. Then check it out. I think instead of Nino Kuni. That would be cool. Or like during the weekend, I want to do. I have to work, but I might not. I might finish work before the weekend. We'll see. It depends on how this week turns out. Because why does it do this? It doesn't need to change. This one shouldn't have any style. It should be like this. There should be a style here. Lunar. Yeah, I'm from Sweden. We get web fishing. And maybe I could get into... It's probably too late to get into customizing it, you know? That's kind of what I never get in, like... When there's some new trend, like a new game or something, I'm always too late. Because I don't have time, or I'm just too late. It's like when everyone played... what was it called? Lamb. What? And then, or like when someone has we can get this customized, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, 6 months too late. Looks like Minecraft looks great, dude. Looks great. Color Lamb, yeah. That's the game. Kaito on TikTok. Yeah, that's the game. And now I'm actually thinking about getting it, and people are gonna be like, oh, that's cool. That's 1 year too late. It's like right now, everyone's doing Halloween, and I'm thinking, hey, Halloween, I can do that next month. But it's not gonna. I'm just gonna do like Halloween stuff. This one, we need to change this one. I feel ya. I'm gonna do web fishing. It's very cheap, and we're gonna fish. I hope we can change the avatar to be green, though. I don't know how complicated the customize. Probably just a texture or something. I'm the first time on Halloween duty for the past 10 years this year. What does that mean? Does it mean that you're gonna be the person that has the arranges the party or something? Halloween isn't that super big in Sweden, so I don't really know. This should be update. An update. An update. It shouldn't be join. Then we're gonna have a bunch of different update. $100 of a friend wants to go trick or treat with me. Oh, that's cool. Oh, so you. Oh, okay. So you go with kids and just hang. You know, so they're safe. Is that how it works? I don't know exactly. It looks so cool, but I only seen it like in the movies, like American movies, where they like they go around to houses and they knock on people's doors. Tiny's relative, she's like 9. All right. Narrator. Luna inner. I think update thinking. This is where it's gonna change to Lunar. This Galozi, the muffin, mix muffin, puffin. By the way, I have a couple of new emotes for those that have missed them. If you missed them, I have the a spinning one and also a where the hell is the other one? Game Boy. Game Boy. I made 2 emotes. So one is playing a Game Boy, and the other one is just a spinning head. I didn't know. So I'm honored. Best Halloween ever. That sounds awesome. God tries on mine. That's cool. What's this? Snakes. I actually took a picture of a dog. Nice. Love your emos. Yeah, I want to add more. There's going to be way more from now on. Dude, stop. That reminds me of a spinning skull. You mean the GIF? I think I know what you mean, actually. Yeah. Hopefully I can add more. I was gonna have so much time. I'm having a job interview on Thursday, though. I'm not sure if I get it, it would be a full-time job, but since I'm single, I can stream during weekends and evenings anyway, so. Yeah, those memes that flooded. I know which one you mean, actually. The skull, yeah. Then you have a trauma. That's good, that works. Oh, ad break.
Ad break now. Mugcat's here with you. Meow.
Oh, this is... I don't need to use the toilet, so it's fine. Do. For the emote that he's playing the Game Boy, it was supposed to be one of those. I don't know. I think it was Tiny that sent me a emote of a character like taking notes on a notebook, and I didn't want to copy it. But then when I started to kind of make a similar one, I felt like I need to turn this into something else, so I turned it into Game Boy. But I want to make some where it takes a note or something as well. Like those are pretty good, I think. I don't know. I have so many that I want to update. What is that, by the way? There are some that I want to remove, I think. A random popcat. I mean, usually the people don't tell me that they're on the toilet when they watch my stream, but that's a new one.
Done. Mugcat's back to play. Meow.
Okay, so and there are some that I want to update here. I think like the popcat. I mean, it's a classic. I don't mind it, but it would be nice to change it. This one I like. Would like to make something more 3D. I like that because it's kind of fun. This one, it's gonna go away. All the static ones I want to turn into these brighter ones. I want to change all of them into much like a different kind of floating head emote kind of. I think they work better for me. So we'll see. I have so many emotes. I remember when I got my first emote, I had a vote. Like I did like a website where you can you could select 3 different emotes, and I'm like, oh, which one should I have? And the one that won was where you drink. No, the love is still there. I think it's this the one with the heart. This is the first emote that I added to the stream. But now they added so many. And I think the animated ones are the ones that people use. I don't think people use... I mean, you use this one now, but animated are way more common, I think, than the... than the other ones. That I need to change this. That looks good. Okay. Can I use that? Rain fell down. Let's see when he does this. He's gonna talk down there, right? Oh, that works. I can keep it like that. And then I can change to narrator, and then it's this one is gonna be lunar inner. Now he's gonna talk to himself. And this is gonna be the narrator. This is gonna look way better, I think, than it did before. So join eyes, update, use style. Let's see what this is. Why it has default. I'm also gonna make an update for his poses are all over the place and strange because I didn't really know how to do it. He's the first character. Hello, Roast on YouTube. How are you doing? So he's kind of messed up. He's bouncing around everywhere as well. It becomes big now. He shouldn't be and stuff like that. And goes down here to the left. The story is about you can actually play it if you want. It's on my itch. There's let's see. This over here, azugat.itch.io. You can find it there. It's a bit. This is the first version, but yeah, it's about a character that has like little bit of memory loss, I guess. And there's a character that is a ghost, and you kind of talk to this person, and you get to know more and more about them. And what happened? You don't remember what happened. Something happened, and they died, but you don't remember much. Just a little. Are you crying? No, it's not on mobile. I'm so sorry. It's called When We Were, but it's better if you go to azugat.itch.io. There you go. And then you can go to it. So it is not for mobile. azugat.itch.io. But it's not finished entirely, but yeah, you get it. I said it so many times, so there we go. Oh, that's cool. Why is it double? Oh. A memory leak? If it has a memory leak, I don't know if it does. No, it doesn't have a memory leak. Maybe it does, but it works anyway. I don't know. But the character doesn't remember much. So he has a memory leak, I guess. Yeah, go for it. It's a bit glitchy, but feel free to play it. Sad for me. I couldn't make it. I mean, I've been checking out how I would make it work on mobile. Yeah, it's gonna work on a shit computer, hopefully. Maybe not after the update, but right now it's probably gonna work. But I had so little time at the end of the jam that when you finish the game, it just turns gray. The screen just turns gray and it kind of crashes. So then I didn't get it to work properly, but now it's gonna work better. This is the one. It's gonna be inner dialogue, lunar inner. Why did I add it on all of them? I believe too. And then I got a bunch of courses that I'm gonna do on stream. Oh, this is bad. I should change this to. Custom, who are you? It's gonna be narrator. Yeah, it's probably not gonna work on you. Fujitsu Windows 7 PC. I don't know. Maybe if you're using Linux on it, but if you're using Windows 7, it's gonna. I don't have a Linux version actually. It's gonna be chatting, I think. Chatting. Or should it be? Yeah, it should be chatting. There we go. It's gonna be narrator chatting. What do you mean? Eyes looking left, right. Eyes blink. I think this is gonna work. No, it's just an exe. You can just, it's a zip file, let's extract it and play it. And it's gonna tell you, oh, this might be a virus, but it's not a virus, I promise. What's your hobby? This is my hobby right now. I'm doing this. I have a bunch of hobbies, usually art. I like to make art, traditional or digital, doesn't matter. But otherwise, my biggest hobby is streaming, which I do right now. VTubing, I like that. VTubing. Game looks cool, but too sad for me. Yeah, it's a pretty sad game. Sad game. You don't have to play. Next game I'm gonna make is gonna be cute and happy because I want to make cute and happy game too. Don't worry. I want to make something cute and fluffy. It's sad. It's a sad. I wanted it to be like Halloween. Cute and happy sounds good to me. Yeah. I would like to make a simple, for Mugcat, but it's gonna be a virtual pet, but you take care of a character inside of a mug. That way, I wouldn't have to make the legs and stuff. I could just animate the top. My PC is booting right now. Okay. This one should change. Okay, let's see if this one works. Thanophobia? What the fuck is that? What the hell is this? Thanos? You're afraid of Thanos?
Time to play. Let's have fun together. Meow.
Is that intense fear of death or dying, or the dying process? Oh shit. That's not good. Then you shouldn't play my game. I thought everyone was afraid of Thanos. No, Thanos is actually a good guy, didn't you know? No, I'm not really coding. Not today. Now today I'm just using the plugin. I see you. There. The eyes have their own. Ah, that works. Am I going crazy? I need therapy. Floating eyes, you can't be real. Actually, nothing is real. Not gonna lie, I was rooting for Thanos. He did win, but then they kind of reversed it. I'm looking forward to the next chapter they're gonna have in like the Marvel universe, because I think they're gonna like turn it into garbage and it's just gonna fail. Yeah, so nothing matter. Yeah, exactly. No, it's a small file. I think it's like 40 meg or something. Internet. Let's see, where did I mess that up? It was a waste of time. This is, I should change it somewhere around here, I think. He goes angry. Members come to life. I think I remember her. There we go. And then we're gonna change. See, did it change? No, that's actually fine. That works. The older I get, the more I enjoy wasting time.
Changing to the 3D model.
Actually, I have to agree, but I don't like to waste time. I think the older I get, the less I want to waste time, the more I want to spend time on learning. I think that's a problem with me. I spend time on doing weird shit all the time. It's not normal to learn this. It's not normal to learn Blender. You shouldn't do that. You should be. I wish I could just go home, watch TV, like eat dinner, and then go to bed. But I can't. I can't do it. Learning is good, yeah, but you don't. Probably, hopefully, good for your brain. Maybe my brain gonna explode. Hey, thank you for the follow. Let's see who it is. Phoenix J Fighter. Keeps your brain healthy. I think it might keep my brain healthy. I hope so. I want to learn another language. I would like to learn something. I learn while I'm working. I learn a lot at home. Part of my job, part of my hobbies. Still, hobbies are hobbies. And not going to make money on that. So there's that. I mean, it depends on what hobby you do, I guess. It depends on what you like. Like my hobby is streaming, but that sometimes that makes me gives me money actually. So it can be like double.
Lemon squeezy pat from Lemon Papa Seagins. Thanks, Lemon.
Yeah, just extract it and play coding, server stuff, embedded stuff. You can, and you don't think you can make money on that? Are you kidding? You can make a bunch of money on that, dude. That's what you make money on. Use style, narrator. I changed that. Chatting. I already I make money on that. Oh, then you don't want to do.
Why did the cat sit on the computer? To keep an eye on the mouse.
Oh, he does this. That's the only joke he knows. He does the mouse every time. My hobbies, I find stuff I don't do as a job. What do you do as a hobby then? Hello, Lemon Poppy. By the way, Lemon Poppy is also a... let's see. Got some games on itch. So you should check that out. Lemon Poppy Seed Games. It's just that good. You don't need another one. What? you don't need another one. Apparently not. Operating system I don't use at the job registration stuff, but that's beyond the scope of work. Program language I don't use at work. All right. What operating systems are you like exploring and stuff like that? Nice narrator. I wonder if I should have the weight. Should probably be okay. Seem to work. Go to find the answers, and then it's gonna do that. Let's do this with narrator. There we go. Yeah, and then I can. No, it should be shading, I think. Shading. Hobby BSD haiku. What the hell is CPM though? Haiku seems like a cool OS, but the browser seems like it's wait a minute, how? So Haiku is based on BIOS. BIOS, I think it was made by Intel. Was it BIOS? B-Ink. Was it? No, was it Intel? Who made it? Why did they make it? B-Ink. I don't know. This OS was pretty cool when it arrived, because you could do a bunch of stuff in this, and it was so much faster than Windows. There's too many adorable chibis on the screen. Oh, that's good. And they actually made a... they continue working on that, and they made something called Haiku. This works on shitty computers pretty well, actually. But they don't have a very good browser, actually, apparently. That's the only downside. I want to check this out, actually. But I don't see why I would. BSD. I've been thinking about checking out BSD for my new computer, but I never use BSD. I think it's OpenBSD. Because there's a green character in Happy Tree Friends. Or is it FreeBSD that people use? Browsers are a bit immature, so it's the Haiku networking stack. Might take another few years to get there. I love the BSD websites are terrible. FreeBSD is also. What I like what I think looks pretty cool about these is that they select software and stuff that is stable. Like it feels like it probably is stability. But I kind of like Arch. Yeah, that's what I'm used to. So I don't know. But I've been thinking about BSD. Problem is that I don't know Blender. Dude, for some reason I liked Happy Tree Friends. Yeah, it was pretty cool, actually. I can't read your screen. I wear glasses. Ah, too bad. My Twitch is Azugout as well. Why did I do BSD? No. Free BSD, maybe? Do they have like a port? Probably. It seems to exist. Maybe I should check it out. I don't know. It's very similar to Linux, apparently. Stable is relative. All the positive variants use the same software, a different compiled package, and of course, what makes the BSD. Okay. I don't know much about it, to be honest. Never tried it. Thank you for the follow, Ross. It's gonna be narrator. Like I used to daily drive Linux for a few years, but then I started streaming, and as a VTuber, you kind of have to use Windows. It's not a thing. You're not gonna have fun trying to make it work on Linux. Oh, thank you for the poison. So that's kind of why I have it. But for my next computer, I was streaming on Twitch for a year from Linux. Yes, without any troubles. But as a VTuber, all of the VTuber stuff is basically it works on Windows. It's not going to be fun to try to make it work on Linux. That's the problem. So all the models and software, yeah. This character here is a VTuber, and making all of that work on Linux is a pain. Yeah, it doesn't work. Otherwise, it would be cool. It's great. Update eyes. Am I going crazy? Why did I do it like that? No, it should join. But let's give him a fade. Fade in. 1 second, wait. What's keeping me... I mean, I'm on Linux right now, but... the software... I don't want to use Wine and shit like that. It just ain't fun to make the software works, you know? To make it work. So it's better to just stick to Windows for all the streaming stuff. Yet I never believe people when they say everything works so well on Linux and other units. So it's a lie. Yeah, it doesn't work. I mean, it's a Linux user thing that people... they kind of say, oh, it's great, blah, blah, blah. And then you try to make stuff work and it's terrible. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't want to get into the Wine territory. I've been there. It's terrible. I don't want to go there. It's a general lie in tech, yeah. The thing I like about Linux is the customization and the simplicity that you can you can turn everything into something a bit more simple. That's what I like. Yeah, but you don't want to spend too much time on that, and then there's an update and something for an application, and you have to fix that. You know, it's not fun. It's not worth it. I think I'm gonna change this to. I think I'm gonna change this to Lunar. It's gonna work, I think. Maybe writing. I don't have the. No, I don't know how to do it, so that wouldn't be fun. I can't make it on my own. It's a lot of work. Hello, Yam on TikTok. Yeah, a bunch of. I mean, there's software, but yeah, people can do it, but I don't know. It's like the one that I use is called Vinion. It's really good for the 3D stuff, but this is not even available for Mac. You know, so this is the great software, and there's also one called Varudo. Varudo might be available on Mac or something, but it's probably Windows only. Yeah. This is something that a lot of people use. This is I want to go into this one, but it's a bit too much work. Well, if it's not gonna work, source. No, the source is maybe for Vinion. Vinion GitHub. I don't think so, but there are like vtuber software for that works on Linux, but they're not as good. There's the one I can't remember the name, but the UI is so shit, and it's not even using like a normal UI. It's using like I can't make one that works better. I wish I could. What if I use inner? Let's try this. I don't know someone that can do it. It wouldn't be worth it. If you make a VTuber software that works on all platforms and is really, really good and better than Varudo or Vinion, then you can make money. Yeah. Kalosi, the thing is about Windows. I don't mind Windows, but I like to set stuff up from scratch for me. You know, I want it to be like simple. Like I want to set up the window manager. I want to set up the software that I want, and I don't want anything else to run on my computer. I want it to be simple, and I don't mind Windows, but Windows is like you do an update and it's like, what the fuck did they enable this again or this? You know, so that's kind of the downside with it. But stuff work. It's the thing I use for streaming, and I will be using it for a long time. It's like I don't want to update. The streaming computer I have for streaming right now is on next to me here. It wants to update, and I know if it updates, it's gonna ruin, like, fuck up all my audio sources in OBS, and I have to do it all over again. Dude, I don't know. Big interview. I don't think we know what that is. Let's see. That works. Whee! There we go. Fade interview, the slide interview. Maybe he should have his own text. That'd be cool. That was messed up. Yeah, I need to change this to inner dialogue. Let's see. Fades out of view. Eyes fade. Fade. And then it's gonna be like there. Not this one again. I think poses is that play a game and chat with a creator. I'm a beginner though. It's pretty shit game though. What? Oh, it's basically using. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Fade out. I need a fade into view. I want them to fade into, fade in. Let's do that and wait. Let's see. I think I should change into inner dialogue here, but it looks good. No, it doesn't have any sound. Not yet. Yeah, it is a visual novel, basically. That's what it is. I haven't. There's gonna be an audio update for music and stuff like that, so there's no background. There's gonna be a bit more sound with the update because it's gonna have like when the text is reading, it's gonna have a little bit of
Ad break time.
sound for each
Mudcats
character.
on standby. Meow.
Oh, we're gonna have an ad. What? Metal pipe sounds? Do you mean like if you hear the metal pipe, or is it just gonna be a sound like if someone is blowing through a metal pipe? A metal pipe? Yes. Random jump scares, like random, like just enter random number thingy, and then it's gonna make a jump scare whenever it wants. It's gonna be not even I'm gonna want to play it. I know they don't talk in Swedish if I'm from Sweden. Do it. No, nothing like that. I'm gonna make it like it is. I think it's good as it is. But I wanna add like I'm gonna make some sounds. It's gonna be like more audio, visual. I don't know, more like I don't know, synthesizer noise in the background. And I also I went to the forest.
It's over. Time to play with Mudcat. Meow.
Yeah. I went to the forest and I actually have this little recorder, and I recorded like sound, like the wind and stuff like that. I'm gonna use that for a part of the story. What the hell happened here? And that works, but something happened. So I think, oh my god, why you randomize? Don't randomize, dude. Yeah, so I'm thinking, and I also recorded this box. Yeah, there's no gore. It's safe for work. There's no gore at all. Nothing like that. Nothing bad. Nothing like that. recorded this box that makes sound. It is a noise. I don't know if it works on Windows XP. I have no clue. I might make it able, if I can export it to web, it might work on web in a future, in one of the last updates, if that's the case. I think I can do it, but I won't get all the effects and stuff.
Changing to the live 2D model.
Okay, this is where it crapped out. There we go. I'm gonna change to inner dialogue for each. This is where it does that. You want me to explain? Okay, so there are a few characters in this game. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Let's see. The main character is called Lunar. Let's see. Where are my characters? You know what? I can actually show them in Blender. Oh, I have Blender open? No wonder it's lagging. Let's see. Visual novel. No, that's not the one I want. Is it here? There it is. Let's see where Blender. Where did I put them? Blender model. This is why I'm so bad at like organizing. Leave. I think it's leave. So there are a bunch of, let's see. This is the main character. He's called Lunar. And he has a sort of memory loss. In the start, you have like a prologue when you don't see the characters and they're in the forest. And then something happens. And there's another character called Leave. L-I-E-V. Let's see. This one. She shouldn't have a mouth, by the way. But it's enabled here. And she... let's see. She's a ghost. And you're gonna talk to her and you're gonna try to remember her. That's basically what it's about. And then you're at a funeral party and then you talk about her and you decide that you want to leave and walk home. When you on your way home, you're gonna stuff's gonna happen basically, and you're gonna learn about what happened in the. That's it. Yeah, well, it should have an icon. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a funeral party at the beginning. But if it doesn't have one, it could be because your computer is old and crap. If it doesn't have an icon. Yeah, so it starts with a funeral party and it's her funeral party and then you meet her again. But you don't remember her. You don't even understand that she's dead. And that's basically what the story is about. I don't want to say too much, actually. You can't spell funeral without fun, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty fun. They're having fun, though. Across the computer. Yeah. There we go. This is gonna be inner. So everything is basically finished, but it's just that I need to... Oh, this one should leave. Leave eyes. When I kind of finished it, I worked so hard I was 20 minutes before deadline when I sent it to the jam. And 2 hours before that, I made a final export of the game. And it didn't work at all. It was so broken. Every time a character showed up on stream, they they didn't go away. So if they show up on the left, they stick to that area, and then the new character will show up, and it's just characters all over the screen. And I have to fix that with a little hack. And it just, I was so stressed out. That's why the game is, I want to fix it into what I kind of wanted it to be. It was so broken. Let's see something on the ground. It's gonna be narrator, I think. And I also want to make an update that is more of a... It was a very temporary solution. It was 4 in the morning. Yeah, so I was up super late. Had been up for 24 hours trying to fix stuff. And then I think I had like 5 monster energies or something like that. And I had coffee in the middle of the night, and I tried to make everything work, and it just crashed, and I'm like, oh my God. And then I stressed the hell out of it. I didn't even know if it worked when I uploaded it. And then when I had the first person on itch that actually said, oh, it was a pretty good game, and they played it, I'm like, oh my God, it works. The game actually works for others, you know, and I was happy about that. It was terrible though. And I did so many mistakes. Bad mojo, yeah, it's very bad. At the end, that's why the story is so shit at the end, because I had to make 3 endings within like a few hours, and I just slammed the keyboard. I don't even know what it is. So that's why I want to make an update for the story as well, because it's absolutely probably garbage. So I'm gonna go into that. Man, it was interesting though, but that's because so much happened during the month. Since I didn't know I would have a breakup and all that, you know. So I guess, you know, it just happened. It's gonna be leave. It's gonna be narrator. Stock Windows 7 exe icon. I don't know. Just try it if it works. Sinban on TikTok. Nothing better than doing creative stuff while barely alive, and then wondering what the fuck was I thinking. I'm kind of worried about reading it because it's gonna be shit, and it was so stressed, you know. I don't even know how I could pull all of that story out of my ass the last seconds, you know. Let's see. Use default. You might not know that, but back in the day, our coding IDE was a blue background with a white font. As youngling, I once did 3-day session. Ended up with me not seeing the fonts. I ended up hospital every day. Oh man, that's bad, dude. I have to say, I once got a computer from my brother, Toshiba, red, black screen, old PC. I don't know if I can find it, but I got one of these from my brother. I think it was this. It gave me this, and look at that. It's red and black. That messed up your face, and it was my first thing I had. It was so behind everything. It was like terrible. But this is the thing that I used. It looked dope, but it broke, and I threw it away. I'm so sad I did. It was so cool. It was portable, but it was super heavy. He just gave it like bought it on like internet or some like used shit stuff, and he's like, "Here, have this." No, thank you. Midnight Commander, isn't that? Wait a minute, what did I do now? Isn't that still used? Oh, this is the file. I thought about getting this instead of 25 hertz refresh rate. It was a old
All
laptop.
eyes are possum. Choose the one that fits. Meow.
What? Choose one that fits. Okay, I guess. Not bad, at least not for CRT. Norton Commander. No, you have to download it. I think. I don't think. I think it's. How do you run it? Is it MC? No, I don't have it. No, you can download it. MC. It's shit, don't run it. I can install it if you want. I'm just gonna... Nah, let's not do it. But because I use another window manager that I really like, i3. This is probably one of... What's the fucking car? Hello, Rose. And I really like this window manager. I'm gonna use this on my next computer as my main. I'm kind of planning on how I will build my system. All controllable by keyboard, and that's why I looked at Midnight Commander. But I kind of like the one that I'm gonna mix and match. I kind of like the one that is in XFC. I like this one, Tuner. It's simple. It does. I'm familiar with this, you know. Norton Commander back in it. So yeah, well, if you want to use it, then sure. I don't feel like I want to do it. So I want to do when it comes to file system, I want a bit of graphical thing going on there. And keyboards and all that's fine. But if you want to move stuff, you can do it in terminal. Your eyes looking down. Let's see if I can do anything now. How you doing, Rose? They invented mouse for a reason, yeah. What are the LED things? LED? To eat the grains, of course. Yeah, that's what they do. Mice. Well, I can't go. I can go to the couch, lean back, and have the keyboard without the mouse. Switch between videos? Yeah, I guess you can. You can do that in terminal too. Only 3 hours. I'm gonna go for 2 more hours. That's awesome, Sinban. And I haven't done much. This is peak. I barely do anything on stream, and I mean I just talk. No, can you use Midnight Commander with one hand? Wait a minute. What are you talking about? Oh no. Okay. From YouTube and Twitch. Okay, big linter, dude. Let's see. Custom speaker. You fall to ground, you black out. This is gonna be the narrator. And then it's gonna send you to the next, I think. Why does it do this? Schoolyard, visit schoolyard, visit location. Yeah, then it adds float. Multitasking, yeah. But that's what I like about Linux, is that you can kind of... I like XFC. It's so simple. Window manager. I like it. Simple, reminds me of Windows, but I can customize it and don't have to install a bunch of crap. But sometimes I want to use something even simpler, so I kind of swap between this and i3. So then I can use application from either. I don't know. Linux users opening Google meme. I don't know. Oh yeah, I know. I know which one you mean actually. One hand for the keyboard, another one. Yeah, for the drink, for the joystick. I don't know Spanish if it's Spanish. Don't know. Window manager agnostic. Yeah, well, use whatever you want. You know, not judging by ooh. Okay, fuck, terrible. Let's see if this one works as it should now. I don't know. Joystick, yeah. And I don't know. I like to customize stuff, and that's why I think it's interesting. What a cute cat. I've never seen a green cat before. You haven't? Why not? That's what it means. There's gonna be a new 3D model for me soon. And it's gonna be a soap cat. And it's gonna swap between that two. So we're gonna have one more and then one live 2D. Cat from outer space, yeah. Gnarpy. Okay, did I? Oh, he can talk to himself. Windows only. Me? Windows only cat. I've seen cat from Oggy and the... What? No. There's a green cat in this. Did I forget Blender open? No. Yeah, it is actually green. What the hell? Did I get the inspiration from this? That's the thing. I don't know. You know Top Cat cartoon? It's called Jack. Top Cat is in this. There's a character. There's a green cat actually. That's the guy. Top Cat. Let's see. I'm gonna close this because it's lagging. Characters. Watch that cartoon. Yeah, this look at this. It feels like my subconscious must have picked this as the guy for my avatar. Because he has the like a scarf or tie or something and he's green. I feel like this might be like my subconscious is like, oh, this is who you are. I don't know. I don't know where it comes from, to be honest. It's kind of when I saw I realized that. I don't know why, but and I kind of like this show. More like Jack, but I've seen that as well, you know. I don't know, from Oggy. Oh, this one is broken. Okay, let's play this. Goofy as fuck. I know. And now there's a lot of, you know, Gnarpy is one of the characters that I'm always like compared to. And there's also Happy Three Friends. And other than you being cats, I don't know. I don't know. I don't really mind. As long as you don't say that my Sona is Spaghettito, I'm happy. Because I don't like Spaghettito. This looks good. But it would be better if it was Lunar. Yeah. Spaghetti what now? Shut up. Sprigatito. Igatito. The Pokemon. This guy. Haven't you seen this? I should have another. I just want to eat batteries today. Oh, you tricked me. You tricked me to Google Sprigatito. Whoa, what happened there? Floating eyes.
Changing to the 3D model.
There we go. Now we turn into low poly. Get your shit together. Approach your destination. This one is wrong. No, I swear, not into Pokemon. I don't know them. You don't know any? Do you know Pikachu? The Pikachu? The rat? Why is it doing inner? Why did it change? Why is it so big? Yeah, some of the Gen 1 Pokies, but other than that. Do you know the fish? Oh, he's 2D, Luis. Spin around. What? What is... Pokemon is always. Pokemon is not... Pokemon can't be before your time, because Pokemon is... Or after your time? Or you said after your time? What? No. Pokemon. Everyone knows Pokemon, dude. Even if you're 100 years old, it's gonna be Pokemon. Leave eyes. Lunar inner. Do you have a model that's 1440p? No, I'm doing it 720p actually. I don't see why this one didn't work. I know it exists. Yes, no, yeah. It came too late. Maybe Top Cat then. Click graveyard, that works. But I feel like the text is wrong. Something happens. Let's see. Let's click. This is good. Maybe I should change this. I think it works with the UI here. You keep walking. After this, it messes up. When you're gonna select stuff now, it goes bananas. Oh, that's fine. Okay. It looks okay. I need to add... I mean, Nintendo and everything related to it's not that big here. People here were eating rocks when... What? Balkan? Where... Let's see. Let's see, where was this? I need therapy. This is where it messes up. I think I should have use style default. That's the one that's breaking it. There we go. Eating the dogs. The animals. The Pokemon might actually eat animals. I think that you can actually eat Pokemons in Pokemon. Which kind of fucked up, to be honest. In Balkan, we have chicken stuffed in a wall, and the door is a Yugoslavian washing machine. What the fuck? Pokemochi? Oh, that sounds tasty, actually. I wouldn't mind eating a Pokemochi. This is that you approach your destination. Why does this one fuck up? You approach your destination. This is the reason. Okay. Should be narrator. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. That should work. It's hard to they're eating the dogs. It's hard for me to listen to that because I hear the music. If that makes any sense. That is not true, Simban. You're talking shit about your own own region in the world. The door is not a washing machine. I'm from the land of the burning trees, you know. What? The Amazon? Brazil? There you go. That works. I don't understand. Pokemon. I think now it's gonna work. Oh, that's good. Kind of crap, but it works. Yeah, there we go. Is it hell? The hell, the United States of America. If it's the same here. Independent California fire. Oh, you have fires. Oh, the California thing is messed up, dude. Sprigatito, look at that. I'm just gonna play through this first. Oh, not this song. This is crazy. Oh, it glitches out a little bit. I don't know why. The sporty. Sorry, the sporty outfit doesn't work for this one. You just wasted 250 points. Let's see if I can give it back. Where do you see the rewards? I'm so sorry. I need to fix that. I can add that to my list. That's a second. Fix when redeem sporty change to 3D model. There we go. Yeah, 50 leaf. I'm so sorry, Kalosis. Scammed. You've been scammed. Oh, there we go. Add.
Ad break now. Mudcat's here with you. Meow.
Note. There's the light. You pick it up. Oh, it looks so much better than before. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Just gonna wait for that. Then we're gonna watch Florida. The Florida thing is sad. I'm not live every day, but this week I'm gonna try to stream every day if I can. But I need to work as well. That's kind of the thing. Explosive trees? You didn't get an ad? Such a solid? Huh? Idaho. I try to stream at least three days a week. It's gonna be
done. Time to rock with Mudcat. Meow.
I'm gonna stream way more, but that's after, like, right now I live together with Vesper still, and when she moves, there's gonna be more streaming, and when I move, you know. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna change this to there we go, and then we go to this. What is this? September. That's a boring emote. Let's see. Let's take a look. Why did Idaho? What the fuck is this? Is this legit? They live in the forest. Trump makes a bizarre claim. The Australians live in Austrian live in 4 cities. Austrians, but that's we can curse in the stream. What? What do you mean? I don't want to watch this on stream, do I? Forests of Europe and exploding trees? I know what the Florida man mean. It's a hi, I'm from United States. Hello. Classic explode. Arriving in Florida, California yesterday, Mr. Trump told reporters waiting outside Air Force. You go to Austria, he said. You go to Finland. You go to many different countries. They don't have. I was talking to a head of a major country, and he said, "We're a forest nation. We consider ourselves forest nation." This was in Europe. I said, "That's a beautiful term." He said, "We have trees that are far more explosive." He meant explosives in terms of fire, but we have trees that are more explosive than they have in California, and they don't have any problem because imagine a forest. You know how stupid this is? No, I'm not gonna search a Balkan. I guess don't pee in wild, guys, because you're gonna explode. I want it too. Explode. You know, in Europe, they have 4 cities. He told the host, you look at the other country, Austria, you look at many countries, they live in the forest. They consider 4 cities. We don't live in a fucking forest in like Sweden. See, we have a lot of trees in Sweden, but they burn just as well as other trees. I'm so sorry. They're not more explosive here. And they probably the other way around. Since it's not very dry here, they don't burn. It's kind of they won't like burn easier. They're dry like matchsticks. Man, this is nuts. I mean, this guy is just rambling. It's so sad. 4 cities, yeah. It's nuts. 4 city. What the hell is that? We don't live in a forest. Breakdance? Why does it break all the time? Oh! Thank you for the raid. Let's see. What's worse is that we people who eat it up as if it was true. But that's crazy. If people like believe it. Thank you for the raid, Kura. I'm gonna shout you out. I'm just gonna pause the music a little bit. There we go. Thank you so much for the raid. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's kind of crazy that people playing Power Simulator. That's cool. Hey, if you like Power Simulator, I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna send a link to you to a game actually. Recent broadcast. Was it now? 9 hours ago. Let's take a look. Hi, Kira. That's cute. Let's see. You were making art? But you're playing Power Wash. What happened to Power Wash? There we go. Why don't I have any audio? It's probably because of this. No, it should have worked. It's just probably very low. I don't know. If you like this Power Wash, I'm gonna follow you there. I was doing art at the start and the rest of the stream Power Wash. Let's see. Project. I mean, I shouldn't really like promote this anymore, but I'm gonna do it anyway because they're my friends. So this is a game this is a demo for a game that is it's kind of like Power Wash, but you are a cute critter and you are cleaning an environment. And so this is a demo-ish proof of concept from some friends. They made a game. Power Wash, all wrong in my life. Power Wash. Yeah, that's how you spell it. So if you want, you can check this out. You can't play it on shitty computers, though. It's not super optimized. But yeah, then they are working on a new game as well. That is going to be a continuation, and they're going to release it on Steam, I think. So yeah, go check this out if you want. Halloween sale. Yeah, that's a good one. Go check it out if you want. Recommended. Yeah, it's a good game. Okay, let's see. This one worked, I think. Yeah, 27 gigabyte. So recommended that. Thank you so much for the raid, by the way. Hope you enjoyed your art and your Power Wash. If you like Power Wash, you might also like Slime Rancher and stuff like that. It's pretty nice. Slime Rancher 2 I played. I like that a lot. Some of my most fun streams, actually. It was fun. Yeah, it is. It's one of those games. It's good for streaming as well, to be honest. Yeah, Slime Rancher is cool. I never played the first one. I only played the sequel. I think they added a bunch of features to it now. I'm just gonna turn on my lamp. Yeah, it's good. Recommended. It's, of course, it's real. Slime Rancher 2, I think. Am I in the debug? Okay, I'm gonna do the debug first. Whenever I do the debug, it lags everything so much because it's resource intensive. I don't think Slime Rancher is on console. Slime Rancher 2, I mean. The first one might be. I think you can play it on Twitch even. Look at that, that's messed up, but it works. It's fine. Yeah, I need to add some more story over there. That's cool. I'm gonna fade that out differently though. But it looks way better with the text now. It's lagging a bit. There we go. Oh, I need to change this at the end. I remember I can do that. But yeah, I think Slime Rancher. Let's see. Slime. Hey, Oxydoom, why are you throwing the donuts? Slime Rancher 2, I think. It was early access.
Balloon head, airhead
What
moment.
the hell was that? Was it in my mouth? Did the donut? Did it fall out of the mouth? What the hell just happened? I love donuts. I absolutely love them. Slime Rancher 2. I think it was early access. I don't know if it is anymore. They probably added a bunch of stuff to it now. It might be a good idea if I check it out again. Gonna have a nice one, Roz. Yeah, they made an LP. Portable
Mudcat
edition.
loves Goop. Meow.
This looks so pretty though. This is cute stuff. Yeah, have a wonderful day. I don't know if it's still in early access. Let's take a look. Pronto March. People been playing the TCG card shop sim though. The TCG card shop sim, what is that? Oh, I know what you mean. That's so weird. That's not a game that I would like to play though. But there's one that you can make your own shop, like a store-ish. That one I kind of like. This is still in early access. It's been in early access for a year then. That's a bit much, to be honest. Yeah, Supermarket. Is it called Supermarket Together? Okay. You play it together with others? Same engine as Slime Rancher? What? Oh, it's TCG. Okay. All these games that just show up. I don't know.
Changing to the life to the model.
I don't know. I'm not good at jumping on the. But yeah, go check out Kura Bunpire. If I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Hey, Sprigatito, look at that. Yeah, there was a thing that I want to change down here. This is where it's gonna have instead of Lunar, it's gonna be. Wait a minute. Use style. Shading, I think. Shading. You found it. And this is gonna be leave. Update narrator. You following your blackout. Leave lighter, yes. Join at center. Narrator is good. What is this? This is gonna be you see something on the ground. It's hiding among the autumn leaves. Join lighter, center. I want when they leave, the eyes. The eyes when they're above the schoolyard here. They're gonna fade out. And I can await end. I think that's it for chapter 4. Find oil. When I played the Slime Rancher 2, it felt like, okay, it wasn't finished and there was a lot of stuff missing. I reached a point where I didn't feel like I could continue. There was nothing to do. So maybe now if I get back to it, there's probably a bunch of stuff to do. Otherwise, it was pretty fun. I like that you go back and forth and you try to get further and further. I think I played it on Game Pass, probably. This is fine. Usually I want the text to be in the middle, but if I do, it's gonna crap out. I made all the backgrounds myself. It's photos that I ran into a Blender shader. The end of the week, they're actually gonna like do the reward ceremony for this jam, and I don't think I'm gonna have a chance, but I didn't use AI. I made the 3D models myself, and the backgrounds are photos, and then I used Blender with a shader to kind of change the colors. So nothing in this game is made with AI. Nothing. I would never use AI. I need therapy. All of the models are made by me in 3D, and then I post them, I rig them from scratch, and then I put them in the game. What's this? Vibe. Oh, this so. But I haven't heard that song in ages. This song is so good. It's so autumn chill. I don't know. It's such a strange song. Okay, let's see if they fade out better now. There we go. It should be like a waiting thing there, I think. Yeah. when I started like working on this, I figured out that I kind of like to make stories. I never done that before, and I want to improve, like make another game with a little bit of story. First, I think I'm just gonna go into technical stuff, like try to do like systems, state machines, and stuff like that. But it would be fun to make something else with a story, but not a visual novel again. I think, unless I really want to. If I have something that I wanna. Okay, there we go. It blacked out. That works. That chapter is fine. It is as it should. But let's take a look. Played a game called Beacon Pines. I didn't think it was good. They could have done so much better. I still recommend it though if you want to play a simple game. There were some issues with the art. They probably had trouble with the anatomy. And what I liked about the game was that you let's see if I can Beacon Pines. It's like a mystery game. But what I think is pretty cool is how you move around, like, and I could do something similar. It's not too complicated, but with 3D models, that would be cool. But I don't think it's probably too much of a game to do on your own, so it would have to be simpler and like only in one area, and then kind of changing a little bit over time. We'll see. Maybe in the future. Never gonna play this supermarket. Lemon poppy. Web fishing, getting that after the stream. Did I add it here? Yeah, I get web fishing. There we go. Okay, let's go to the next chapter and see if I can work a bit on that. GTA 5. Yeah, I did. Still impressive. Yeah. GTA 5. Yes, but it's a long time ago. I gotta go. See you in the next live, maybe. Yeah, maybe tomorrow then. I'm gonna stream tomorrow as well. I start at 13, much like CET. Like, I'm gonna be live at about this time. I'm gonna stream for about 1 more hour, I think. And then I'm gonna have to work during the evening. I need to work 2 or 3 hours today. I'm gonna do the gas station next, I think. Schoolyard, gas station, yeah. Let's do it. But I'm just gonna be right back. I'm gonna use the bathroom and get a sandwich.
Thanks for the pat, Kalashi. Mudcat purrs appreciation.
I am back. Oh. Windows? No. No. The fuck? This one sucks. Oh man. Oh. USB is fun. Music to my ears. Yeah. It's the thing I thank you for the follow. It's the thing I've been using for my hand tracking. It's a very strange device. I can show you online how it looks. So for hand tracking, it's called Leap Motion. Leap Motion. And it's this little guy. And this is like 10 years old or something. And I bought mine online for like secondhand. It's used. But the USB is so it's so it doesn't stick, or how should I, it's kind of losing its it's kind of, I don't know, maybe I need to glue it. What should I say? It doesn't, the USB standard is a micro USB, I guess, but it's a very strange cable. Look, it's like this one. It's like mini micro USB, and there's like a mini USB thing. You can't see it. You see? So but they only used one of them. So the plan was to have more bandwidth, but they never used it. So it's not a normal cable. It looks like this. And it's so bad because it's just gonna break soon. So I might actually just glue it. I think it's USB 3, 2, maybe, probably 2. It's pretty old, right? But they have a new version, Leap Motion 2, I think. What the hell is this abomination? I don't know. This new one is so much smoother. It's better. The new controller, it has USB-C, which is good. And then I use like Leap Motion 3D. Let's see. Is it 3D print? Leap Motion color. Is it color? This one. Kinda like this. I have a collar on my neck. With yeah, this. And then it tracks my hands. So I'm still, I look like a stupid person. I have a collar. Vesper made fun of me when I got it. She's like, "Oh, you little kitty cat." I'm like, "Oh, come on." No, it doesn't look cool. It looks like this. I tried this one too. This didn't work at all. It's very uncomfy to have it like that. I'm eating a sandwich, by the way. Sorry. I mean, it's a good device. But it's probably better to get the new one. Leap Motion 2. Prison Tag, a sci-fi movie. Yeah, it does. 90s. Is it Moonbase Alpha? Alpha, I think that's Moonbase Alpha. That's the older. It's like 70s probably. Rutger Hauer, I don't know. Man, I love it. I should rewatch. What's it called? Star Trek. Is it Enterprise? Is it with? No, that's not the one. What's it called? Discovery? No. Picard. What the hell is it called? What the hell is it called? The Last Generation, dude. Blade Runner. I watch Blade Runner all the time. Blade Runner, I watch it over and over again. Yeah, I watch it over and over again. There's like one of those movies that I just start and I just let it run. And I can watch it again, you know. It's just so nice. Everything, the audio, the music. Hello, everything. Yeah, Blade Runner is one of those movies I just start and let it play. I like the sequel as well. I think it's also very good. But the first one is probably better. Wow, this mushroom baked eggs with squished potatoes. Squished potatoes? What is a squished potato? Tomatoes. Squished tomatoes, okay. I can't read. Yeah. Okay, let's check out gas station. Blade Runner is so good. The best. Add soon. I prefer the new one. It was more cohesive compared to the old abstract one. You're right. Tomato squished tomato sauce. Oh. Oh no, it's Chloe GPT. Oh no, chatbot. Tomato squished tomato sauce. Tomato sauce would be nice. I like pasta with tomato. Hey, thank you for the follow. No, I'm just kidding. GPT. Let's see. But the sequel is good. I really like it. Okay, let's just start working on this. The gas station is fine as it is. Let this be like, if I change to Lunar Inner.
At right now, Mugcat's here with you. Meow.
It would have been so much better if I could change each style, like change the original ones. I'm doing good. How about you? But the problem is that this doesn't work as it should. Oh my god. I'm working on a visual novel using a plugin in Dialogic, in Godot, I mean. Why is it doing that? Is it because of the weight?
Changing to the live to the model.
Wait a minute. No, that's true. It's under a month until your birthday? Nice. Oh, there's an ad going on. I didn't notice. Why didn't it do that? What happens if I change to this? I really don't want to go there. What if he is working tonight? Why doesn't the dialogue work? Inner dialogue, Lunar Inner. Is it because of the weight? Probably. There, the ad is over.
Ad's done. Time to rock
I
with
wonder why.
Mugcat.
I
Meow.
wonder why it does that. What if I do skippable? If I don't hide the text box? Why would I have the weight even? What? What? Lunar. It should be lunar. Yeah, so for you, since you are new here, I can tell you what I'm working on. I'm a beginner, so I was joined a game jam to make a game. And I did. It was my first game ever. And it's a visual novel, and I used a plugin for this. And a little bit of coding, not too much. I'm still learning. And now I'm just making an update for it because it's super buggy. But it's still playable if you want to check it out. It's on my itch. So now I'm just updating some UI elements. And Maybe a little bit of audio. We'll see. But not much, I think. I can remove that, I think. The accent is funny. Thank you. Let's see if I
Changing to
can
the 3D model.
probably do a wait for input and not hide the text box. Why does it do that? Is it because it... And then it breaks. It's so weird. Because it shouldn't hide it anymore. Is it because it doesn't switch back? Is that the reason? What happens if you add another one and then don't hide it? The fuck? No, it breaks it. This used to work in the other version of this, but now it doesn't. It's gonna be narrator. This one can I probably can put it here, I think. Lunar inner gas station. That should work. Yeah, let's see, man. It's gonna be Luna inner. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. Okay, I should be down here. Man, I don't want to go there. That's what he says, and then it's gonna be change style, and it's gonna be. You can also do this in text. There we go. But right now I need to see which one I'm choosing. Lunar. That's gonna be it. Do, 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 do. There we go. To get there, I need to change a lot of text in this. Walking, thinking. Man, this is driving me nuts, dude. Some things happen at school. This one can be as it is. I don't need to change that. I think if I go, it's gonna change. Walking, thinking, yeah. I added a bunch of different, like if you go to one area before the other. Oh, no way. Did it break? There we go. It's gonna be the narrator. It's gonna be the lunar. I can't believe we used to ride a bicycle here, and then it's gonna update and not join. Why is it having a wait here? Doesn't need to. Custom. This is gonna be narrator. This is gonna break it, I think. Let's add a fade to that. Prologue. Narrator. No, it's gonna be inner. See if we can play it. There's a bunch of different things he's gonna say in this one. Pen and note. Hello, Ani. There's a bunch of different ways you can go into this chapter, depending on what you choose before. Nice. There's a hand. And it's drawing. Or something. think I need to check my Discord just a second. There we go. It's going pretty good, Dobby. I didn't watch the videos yet. I'm so sorry. Did you have a break or something? You can find... This isn't the right... It doesn't have the shading here. Oh, it does. My break's soon, but I'm ahead anyway. What? What does that even mean, Obi? I was paranoid I wasn't gonna have enough done for work, so I woke up at 4 a.m. Okay. Dude, I try that sometimes to wake up super early. Swear I saw you on Happy 3 Friends. Secret Twitch furry account. Oh shit. Yeah, people say that I'm in that show, but I don't know. I'm not, but I understand. I'm the green cat. This one should change when he's entering. Or the angry one. I don't know. Isn't everyone angry in that? It's gonna have a new one here. Change style. And it's gonna be here, and it's gonna be the Luna, and it's gonna be Luna. This needs to be changed. That's so stupid. And I don't need to wait for input. The angry one. The goop.
Fantastic mess. Mudcat's playground just got squishy.
Green no more. No, he just gooped up. Thank you. I'm gonna add that to this as well. Let's see. Add color picker for goop, so you can change the color.
No, Mudcat prefers cartoons with less chaos. Meow.
Do you like Happy 3 Friends? He doesn't. That's kind of fun, actually. My cat hater, yeah. That's pretty fun. No, this is not. That's not the voice of Bender. It's actually the voice of Stitch in Lilo and Stitch. I know, but I can actually use the... Is this safe for work? I hope it is, because... So the blue guy. Bender has a bit more of a darker voice, and is a bit more angry. Bender's cool, though. I actually considered using his voice instead of this one, but I had to pay for it. A custom speaker box is gonna be... Lunar Inner, I think. Yeah. So Lilo and Stitch is a Disney movie. It's pretty good, actually. They're making a sequel that looks actually absolutely garbage. Sequel. That looks like... Wait a minute. Not the sequel. 3D. What? They're making a new movie and it looks like shit, but it's not showing up on Google. Okay. Is that bad? Yeah, the live action. Yeah, it looks like ass. Live ass. I mean, live action. It's good I did Google Lilo and Stitch live ass instead. Live action. Let's see. Live action. Yeah, not live ass. Let's see here. Lilo and Stitch movie. Live action teaser. Look at him. He looks so shit. Doesn't look good. Yeah, he's very ugly. we'll see. I mean, people like it, but I don't understand why they're doing live action of everything because it's not gonna age well. They kind of in this Disney are kind of in this period where they wanna. Do you know any live action that actually went somewhere? Yes. It's called Roger Rabbit. Is it? Yeah. Is it that movie? Live action. It's fucking awesome. I mean, this is a really good movie. If it's live action, yeah. You wouldn't call it live action. Oh, that's true. If you consider like 3D today's 3D movies, then it wouldn't be. But this is the only thing that I think worked so well. But live action, I don't. It's so big. Why? Why is it big? Wow, that was worth it. How much did that cost? Try one up in chat. That's pretty cool, actually. It looks pretty nice. Why is his nose black? Something's going on there. One up in chat. That's pretty cool. Thank you, Obi. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Without actual animation. Live action, I guess, is when it's animated together with real actors. That's probably what people say when they, oh, this movie is live action. So when there's a movie with like cartoon characters inside of it, 3D, then this is a live action. Like Pikachu movie, like the Pokemon movie, or yeah, like the Pokemon movie, basically. Or the Sonic movies. I mean, I saw. Okay, I actually went to see. I've seen some Japanese live action, and they all have common crappy costumes and bad acting. Yeah. So Sonic 2 movie, the movie, like this movie, it's fucked up. Like in the middle of it, they it's about people, like a couple that's gonna get married, and then the marriage is like, oh, the wedding is kind of messed up because Sonic isn't like chill, and it makes no sense to me why that is even part of a Sonic movie. It's so bad, and that's kind of, I don't understand. I don't understand why they keep doing this. I mean, I wouldn't mind watching a Sonic movie if it's animated and it's amazing. I don't want real actors in it. I don't want to see humans in it. I'm so sorry. Why are you doing it? The Teletubbies for adults. Me, hello on YouTube. Teletubbies for adults. Yes. Oh, the Sonic movie. I would rather that they made the bad Sonic movie in an alternative universe. There's gonna be the bad Sonic, like the ugly Sonic, and it's gonna be good. I'm pretty sure. Maybe it would have been good because I don't know, the Sonic movies, I don't like them. The first one, maybe the next one would be good, but I don't want any weddings in it. Make it about the characters. I want to know the story, you know. I want to see the cool environments. I guess they want to make movies for families, and if they don't make it live action, then it's called a Princess Drug Deal Goes Bust. What? Yeah, bad Sonic, yeah. Outside the door, that's some bad English. Why is it big? What happened here? I just saw the video where you flew away. Oh no. Update, join inner. Why did it turn into this? It should be narrator. And it became so big for some reason. I'm just adjusting the UI for the game. This is gonna be inner. There's nothing thing's gonna like fix itself. If I change this narrator. And this one doesn't need any. Now they're gonna have their own styles. I think. Pass on. Have you ever seen the movie Bad Santa? Pretty good. When I saw it the first time, I liked it. Probably shit now, but it's kind of fun. Probably didn't age well. There's a sequel? Okay. Bad Santa is a movie. They made a sequel. How can they make a sequel to that? No. It's the best Halloween film? What? It's about a guy that works as a Santa. My generation still like that. Because bringing up holiday films 3 days before Halloween. It's the best Halloween film. But it's for the holiday. It's not a holiday. It's not for Halloween. If you wanna watch Halloween movie, you can watch Beetlejuice or something. I don't know. It's about. I think if I remember correctly, like it's about a guy that works in a. What is it called? Like a. I don't know what it's called. Shopping place, like a. I don't know, whatever. And he's so miserable, and he's broke, and he decides to rob the place as Santa. That's about it. A mall, yes, a mall. Michael Myers was back long before the Terminator. Michael Myers, isn't that Nightmare on Elm Street? No, that's not Nightmare on... No, that's the one where they with the knife. What is it called? What's it called? With that soundtrack. Halloween. The Halloween. It's just called Halloween. Yeah. They're pretty good, actually. Why is it called Michael Myers? I was curious what kind of movies you find funny. I don't know, actually. I don't really like comedies anymore, so I don't really know. I need to make his font bigger. What kind of movies you find funny? Fuck no, I don't. No, I don't like Superbad. It's a bit. That's a bit too. I don't know. No. I mean, I could have liked it, but not now. I love Superbad. I'm 5 years old. Do you like Road Trip? Or what's it called? Evolution. Have you seen that movie? Pulp Fiction is good. That's a fun. I would consider that a funny movie. That's a movie that I watch over and over again. But one of my favorite movies is Big Lebowski. I would consider that a movie I could watch and laugh at again. Evolution is a weird movie. It's not what I expected. The Hangover? No, that sucks. Big Lebowski is another level. But the humor in Big Lebowski is, for me, it's good. It's like, I get it. You know, I watch it. I tried a White Russian because of that movie. I drink White Russian at every party. I bring everything you need to have for the White Russian, and then I drink White Russians. It's Seattle humor for Seattle people. It's a good humor. I like it. White Russian is good, by the way. I'm gonna make his font bigger. Styles. If you like Napoleon Dynamite, I think I haven't. That's the one with the guy that's dancing, right? I'm not sure if I've seen it actually. I'm not sure. I can add it to my list. That's with the thing guy dancing, right?
Changing to the
It's a
light to
classic.
the model.
Dry humor. I like when it's intelligent, you know, and it's not like it does interpretive dance, yeah. Considering the concurrence at the time, I don't know. It's like I don't know that I kind of like when it's a bit intelligent, if that makes any sense. I don't like this movie. Like, there's a film that my mom loves, and I hate it, and it's this Elf movie. This is like her favorite movie. Like this, Elf. I don't get it. I hate it. Thank you for what is it? Confetti? Did I get a follower? Another Halloween classic, yes. Another. Thank you for the follow, Mitsu Otaku. 10 bits for that. Another Halloween classic. Absolute shit movie. Yeah. I do kind of the Airplane. I mean, this is fucking nonsense, you know. This I can appreciate. So I can appreciate a movie with Leslie Nielsen. I can appreciate that because it's a special, very special. The Logan Paul. Did they make a remake? I can. Cannonball Run. I don't know what that one is. Cannonball Run. I mean, he is on a different kind of airplane mode. Okay, I don't want to put. What the hell? He really Logan Paul. Fuck Logan Paul. I like when it's you know. Sorry, I don't reply to Swedish. Let's see, Einar. Was it this should be maybe 22 then? Let's try that. Mobile equipment is in constant airplane mode. Yeah. No. I don't really leave mine in airplane mode, but I do fully mute it except for calls from my mama. I have it muted all the time. And then, yeah, this is Godot. This is a plugin for Godot called Dialogic, made for using visual novels. Didn't know that phone calls even in airplane mode. I didn't know that. I mean, that's weird. I have it muted all the time, and whenever someone calls or stuff like that, I see that later, and then I call them. It switches off Wi-Fi. What? Oh, okay, but that makes sense. It still needs to be able to call 911 and stuff like that. I guess. Otherwise, it wouldn't be safe. There we go. That looks good. Now we got a bit of a bigger text. Man, I need to get a VPN for the TikTok app, to be honest. It's terrible. That looks good. Yeah, at least for that one. Because it's based on location. It kind of sucks. Like if you stream on Twitch, it's not gonna be like, oh, I see that you're from Sweden. Do you want to watch this stream? But swatting, oh, it's not really a thing in Sweden. It wouldn't happen. But in US, it would happen. That's for sure. That's fucking terrible. The swatting thing, it's terrible that it actually happens. Like, to be honest, whenever I see that happen, it's so sad. I don't get it. Yeah, see, I saw that too, Austria thing, but I don't know if it would work here. It would be strange though. I think they would send a police and they would knock on the door and ask what I'm doing, and I would have to open the door and talk to them. They wouldn't just rush in, even if it was like I don't think they would. The swatting is terrible. I hate it. Don't like it. Hello, Tiny. Let's see. Join Lunar update. And he's gonna be leave. Leave. Oh, and then I can remove that. Push. And let's see if I can get this to work. It's nice. I don't have to change the style here. I didn't know getting a swallow stand was possible in most European countries. No, it isn't. In Sweden, it wouldn't happen. It wouldn't happen. It's weird, but it happened. But it must have been something special. Hey, there's an ad going on.
Ad break now. Mugcat's here with you. Meow.
Narrator. Don't need that one. Narrator. No, I want it because I have a VPN. The background is crazy. Yeah. It is crazy when his ad is running. Then it's crazy. I'm gonna add a new thing later. Most of the swatting stuff could. The bottom left one, yeah. That's the cute one. I can wait for the animation here and then remove that. Why so zesty? What? Well, they wouldn't have the resources to do it, first of all. They would send the police and they would knock on the door, they would talk to you. And yeah, basically.
Ad's done. Time to rock with Mugcat. Meow.
Time to rock with Mugcat, yeah. Most of the swatting stuff could really be avoided.
To the model.
The authorities, if they join the chat. It's kind of hard for them to join the chat though, if they don't know the streamer. But it would be. I think Pirate Software did call the police and tell them, oh, you can put a tag on me and my address because I'm a streamer and it's gonna happen. And I think some streamers do that, and they tell, oh, if you're famous, it might happen. I have good things about Swedish police. Oh, they're nice. It's really no problem. People with VPN have been getting shadow banned in Twitch chats. I wouldn't use it for Twitch. I would just use it for the TikTok app because it's using location data, which is fucked up. So that's why I have so many Swedes on my TikTok stream, and I don't want that. It doesn't make any sense because that's not my audience, you know. So just people coming in spamming Swedish, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna ban you. Well, the first thing they do these days is putting a trace on your internet connection in case they have set you to dark before breaking the door in. What? First thing they do these days is putting a trace on your internet. In case they have set you. What do you mean? They will know. Okay. Huh. So much money though. I mean, I guess they have they just want something to do. I think, I don't know. It's weird. Let's see. Your settings are void. This is where I should have the narrator. Narrative turns out. Oh, this is gonna be inner dialogue. Narrator. So much resources for. I don't know. It's terrible. I hate it. That's good. You get the if statement. And then narrator. This is easy. And then all of these are okay. Let's take a look. I think now it's gonna be fine. Time to rock with my cat is crazy. What? I should add a little maid outfit to him. I have with painted actually. I could add it to him. Maybe change his voice when he's a maid.
Positively perplexed. Mudcat thanks 10 extremes. Meow.
I don't know why it says Tinix Dreams. Why not Tiny? Tinix, Tiny Extremes. Tiny Dreams. Small Dreams. Are people still staying?
Elf. Mudcat loves Buddy's silly adventures. Meow.
No, he doesn't. What the hell? Why doesn't, with this voice, he doesn't do any emotes? Comfy Tiny right now? That's nice. Comfy Tiny. Tiny Comfy. Comfy Dreams. Look at it. The chat. It's the Firefox breaking all the time. It looks way better than before. What difference? Stretch and poison. Started One Piece. Have you seen? I think is it? I haven't watched One Piece, but I think there's a character called Blackbeard, right, or something. And there's a guy on TikTok that kind of looks like him, and they made a. I think he's at a Comic Con, doing like a TikTok thing where he's like just making noises, and he looks just like him. I think. One Piece has a really cool art style. I think I downloaded One Piece once as well, but isn't it like 700 episodes? Something. That's what I should do when I move. When I spend every day alone, I should just watch One Piece. I can watch One Piece. That's what I'm gonna do. It's like 1,000. The art style is super cool. I like how they're so different. One Piece is one of those long runners. Yeah. Lost me at 35, and then we can continue. More than 1,000 episodes. Holy shit. Into the card games I'm considering. Yeah, just go for it. Ruin your life. This is Mo Shop. Some kind of remix. Or some guy with this, hentai dude. Episode 700. Why did you give up, Tiny? Mo Shop actually has a really cool TikTok where they post their Eurorack like synthesizers and stuff. I'm surprised they use that for the music. It's kind of cool. This isn't fixed. You reach. If I were to recommend you one show, it would be a more recent Devilman Crybaby. That's the one made by the same as I think I might have watched that or a little bit. Gunsmith Cats rocks. It's so good. I have a couple of books. Gunsmith Cats, so good. I think I have the intro music in the A Person of Culture, I see. Because then there were fillers and yes, I couldn't see through these. Yeah, it kind of sucks when you have to sit through all the filler episodes. I watched X-Files, kind of going through X-Files, and Devilman Crybaby. This one, I think I've watched it. This is super good. This is the one with really cool art. This guy made something else, I think. Ping Pong Club. It's a really cool art style. Do you like Kira? What is it? It's called Kira Kill? Or what is it called? I don't know. FCLC is also very good. Furikuri. I just finished a show called Eden of the East, or the first season. It was pretty good. Pretty good, actually. Which is like an artist comedy. What? I've been trying to watch more stuff. There's a lot of good movies this year. Yeah, it's not even enough for you to watch. You need a couple of more lifetimes. That's the crazy part, right? What is this? Default. Don't need that. Didn't do anything. That's all your fault. Let's see if I can go into the text editor instead. Start. Oh. Narrator, Lunar Inner, Lunar. Narrator. This is the one. This is gonna be Lunar Inner, I think. There we go. Narrator. Cool. That's it, I think. That's enough for this one. Oh, it's gonna look good, I think. Yeah, I watched Eden of the East. It was pretty good. I really liked the Chainsaw Man. It was pretty cool. But yeah, Gunsmith Cats. Let's see. Gunsmith Cats. Opening. It's fucking awesome. This shit is so cool. This is like so good. The details and everything. Such a good intro. It's only 3 episodes if you don't read the manga. But the quality is like super high. Also trying out Dan Da Dan. I don't know what that is. I'm trying to get back into anime right now. That's why I'm one piecing. That is super good. But the quality is so high compared to what they have now, you know. But that's the sad part. It's very good.
Changing to the 3D model.
Very cool. But what's it called? Trigger? You know Trigger? I'm basing my favorite still Death Note. Death Note is good. If you like Death Note, you can Eden of the East. I just finished this one. The animation is pretty bad. Trigun, I haven't watched Trigun. I think that might be mechas and stuff. I don't like mechas very much. Eden of the East. This is kind of like Death Note ish. Pretty good actually. I like it. What's that? Kira? What is Kill? No, what is it called? Kill Like Kill. It's pretty cool. I like that. It's a good show. I think that's it's not mecha as far. It might not even be. It might not be that. Trigger, you know, anything by Trigger is pretty good. Kill la Kill. This one wasn't good. Kiss Naiver. It sucked ass. Darling and Franks is not good. Okay, this is bad stuff. Panty in the stocking. Panty stocking with garter belt. Pretty good. They're gonna make a new one? What the hell? Little Witch Academia, all of those. Pretty cute. Yeah. It's nice stuff. Eden of the East, the animation, very strange characters in general, but it felt like it's kind of the same thing. There's like one person with a lot of power, like too much power to do basically everything, and sort of mystery stuff. So it's pretty cool. Iria Seiram, the animation. I hope it's not. I'm afraid of Googling anime because it's gonna be. What the hell is this? Oh, this one. I think I have the first book. I'm gonna add this to anime tip. There we go. What other? I remember this one. Gunslinger Girl. I don't know if it's good anymore because when I watched it, I really like it, but I'm not sure if it's a good show at all anymore. I like the intro though. Trigun. I don't know. Have I watched this? I don't know if I watched this. I can add it to my list. Anime. Trigun. I Loved Charlotte. What? I don't think it's a love story. I'm afraid. I'm scared it's gonna be hentai. Let's see. This one I was thinking about something. I know there's a like one show back on my head. I haven't watched Berserk actually. It's on my. I downloaded it, and I'm gonna watch it. I wanna check it out. It's supposed to be very good. Vampire Hunter Media. Vampire Hunter. I was gonna just in case. You know what? What is this? Oh, it's horror? Fuck yeah. I love horror anime. Like another. I want that. Lupin the Third, super good. No, Meteor. I read wrong. I mean Meteor. Yeah, this one. You said I just read Vampire Hunter because Vampire Hunter D, the movie is really good. Ninja Scroll is also very good. It's a movie. Lupin the Third, I've seen the movies. Really good. Yeah, there are many. The problem is that you don't really have time, but at least the episodes are short, so you can watch. You can have an anime that you follow, and then you watch a show during your breakfast or your lunch. That's really good. It's like 20 minutes, 25 at tops. That's pretty cool. Good thing about it. Android announcer Michael. I like when they're like 12 episodes or something like that. I'm gonna check it out soon. I'm just gonna go through this first and see if it's okay now. That's good. Avoid talking. This is messed up. Why is it doing this? Why is it so big? That's strange. Why does it change to the such a big? It's fine actually. It doesn't matter. The problem with every there's like a season. There's seasons over and over again, anime seasons, and I'm pretty sure there are so many good ones that we don't find out, because the ones that get popular now are like they're for the memes or like cute characters. That's kind of what happens, you know. And I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of good episodes and or shows that we don't see because they just get lost, and that's super sad. And then they get picked up in like 10 years. Lane, of course. If you haven't checked out Lane, you should check out Lane. Lane. Back when I started anime, there were a lot more of us, and maybe yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah. Now it's like they make pretty awful stuff. Yeah, it's super good. That's a vibe. Lane. Super good. It's too much. This one. It's too much, bro. Yeah, Sonic. But you need help. Maybe. That's good. Now it looks great. Why was it so big before? That's cool. And then you're gonna be back to dream sequence. Cool. Let's see. Android announcer Michael. What is this? Is it manga? They were serious? Newest DJ? Beginning of 2000? It looks cool. Oh, it looks legit. I'm gonna save it. And I'm gonna just call it. There we go. Where is it? Anime. Android announce Sir Michael. Cool. I'm gonna download a bunch of shit and watch it. A bunch of stuff. Oh, let's see. It's almost about time for me to end, actually. So I think I'm gonna end stream here. But today, since it's so many, I'm gonna see if I can find someone to raid. I'm just gonna turn off the TikTok stream. There we go. Did I raid? Almost 4 hours. I think that's gonna be enough for today. I have to work. I also have to go to the store and buy some drink like julmust. I don't know. Classic Swedish Christmas drink, and get a package. I bought this little thing for my This is a long time ago now for the keyboard. I found a used keyboard, but it didn't have any of these, I don't know, springs. So it wasn't usable. So let's see. Thanks for the company, and why doesn't... Thank you for stream, Azo. Yeah. Obi, I'm gonna check out the videos. I'm so sorry. Filthy Frank. This short, it's like a Filthy Frank clip, 8.5 million views. I don't know why I have that here. Do you have a rate choice? No. Do you have any recommendations? I'm just about to check. So if you have anyone you want me to rate, use IBM M2. What? I don't think IBM M2. I don't think I have. Isn't that a... Oh yeah, dude, I have. Oh, it's so good. Oh, this is so good. This is amazing, but this is so hard to get, dude. This keyboard is insanely hard to get. Isn't it? Let's see. Twitch. We'll check out this first. Obi was first, so I'm gonna check. Peep. I could just copy it. It's probably a good idea. Like that.
If you guys don't want to see the notification, you can mute it.
What's going on? What is this?
And if you prefer the notification, you can unmute it.
It's a little chicken.
Why you say cat Bina?
That's a voice changer though. I love that name since I love people. Yeah, let's read these. It's gonna be, if you were here for the game development, you're now gonna go into cute art territory. So, here we go.
Has you,
I'm gonna be back tomorrow.
Addicted to Ermi.
Okay.
I don't know why.
I don't know when exactly. And tomorrow will probably be a bit gaming, probably. We'll see. And thank you so much for the... Oh, Big Linta, thank you for the follow. I do a little bit of gaming and also I do games and art. So, yeah. And I'll see you next time. I'm gonna hit raid now. And let's see. 52. What the hell? You all when people stay from raids, I'm so surprised. Have a nice one, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a nice one. Bye-bye. There we go. Let's see what happens.
So you say instead of How can we improve?
Yeah, sorry me. I'm ending stream.
Oh my gosh.
Have a nice one, me. I'll see you next time.